jump from thought to thought like a flea jumps to a lie. You could give an aspirin the headache of its life. Maybe it's the crazy that I'd miss. Watering plastic plants in the hope that they'll grow. Seeing a message flash and then smashing up my phone. Maybe it's the crazy that I'd miss. It won't get better than this. I like the way your brain works. I like the way you try to run with the wolf pack when your legs are tied. I like the way you turn me inside and out. I like the way you turn. I like the way your brain works. I like the way your brain works. I wanna get college girl drunk tonight. No morning fears, no mountains to climb. They say the best memories are the ones that we forget. Like listening to Drake at your best friend's swimming pool, floating anti-clockwise in a red mushroom. Maybe it's the crazy that I'd miss. It won't get better than this. I like the way your brain works. I like the way you try to run with the wolf pack when your legs are tied. I like the way you turn me inside and out. I like the way you turn. I like the way your brain works. I like the way your brain works. Baby, it's the crazy I like. I think I saw the world turn in your eyes. Baby, it's the crazy I like. Maybe it's the bullshit I miss. Screaming at the moon in black lipstick. Maybe it's the bullshit I miss. It won't get better than this.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, Matt. Hi, Devin. Hi, Falafel. Hi, Baron. Hi, Reagan. Hi, Joe. How are you? I better get my bubbles for Baron. There you go. And I believe you asked for a hydrate also. Hi, everyone. How's everyone doing? Guys, I'm late for stream. I'm always late, doesn't matter. But I'm late for stream because I was trying to watch the end of the hockey game. And guess what? It's not over. Because it went into overtime. So now here I am, just streaming, and I'm watching it on a very legal website. That is very legal. It's very legal. Anyways, hi everyone. We love legal websites. We do love legal websites. Reporting you. You better not. Listen, I'm not paying for cable in the year 2025. I'm just not. And there's nowhere else to watch it, so. Unless I want to buy, like, sports subscriptions and stuff, which, I don't. Because I don't watch any sports, aside from the Leafs. Cable was so 2000s. Ah, I know. My parents still have cable. Anyways, hi Bert, how are you? How is everyone? How's everyone's day? How's everyone's day? Sorry, I got distracted. I thought it was over for a sec. You're good, Baron. I'm glad. I worked today. I barely slept last night. I could actually not sleep last night to save my life. So I'm kind of surprised that I'm still, like, awake and I haven't crashed out yet. But, you know, it's okay. Sometimes when I have bad sleeps, I immediately take a nap after work, but today I was like, I'm not doing that. So I might literally fall asleep while I play Kirby, but let's hope not. I'm finishing Kirby tonight, so I can't fall asleep because we need to finish it. But anyways, I hope everyone else had a nice day today. A nice Monday? Was it Monday? No. What day is it? Tuesday! I don't know what day it is. I literally don't know what day it is. Yeah, okay, I guess it is Tuesday. Yesterday kind of felt like it didn't exist. Today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. If you want to know how my brain is feeling right now, today at work, I was writing a report, and I had to get a date for a report. I had to check a date of something, and the date was April 17th that I had to include in this report. And I wrote, just muscle memory, just like brain, not even thinking, brain on autopilot, I wrote February 17th. And then I looked at it, and I had a moment, and I was like, yeah, that's where my brain is at. I just, like, haven't processed the last 2 months. My brain's still in February, even though it's April. And my brain's apparently still in Monday, even though it's Tuesday, so, you know. Naps are underrated, in my opinion. Bert, naps are pretty good. Naps are pretty good when you can have the time for them. When I was in school, I mained, like, power naps in the middle of the day. Like, if I had a class from, like, I don't know, let's say 8 to 11 or 8 to 10 or something, and then I had another class that was like an hour after that, I would just like go back to my room and sleep for like 20 minutes and then go back to school. Oh yeah, baby, we did it. Fuck the Senators. We made it, guys. Okay, just had to say that. Okay, now I can close this and I don't have to think about it anymore. And now I won't be distracted anymore by my super legal website. Spoilers, I'm sorry! Senators are pretty terrible. Exactly. That website looks suspicious. It's a suspicious website. Anyways, sorry Matt for spoiling. I don't know why your stream is behind mine. I had to click through like 4 of the streams on that website before I even found one that worked, so I'm sorry. Quebec has better hockey team. Falafel, you would say that. But because you're actually from there, I give you a pass. Anybody else that's a Canadian supporter that doesn't live there, I don't give you a pass. And you are my enemy. But if you cheer for the Boston Bruins, you're even more my enemy. So, just saying. All in good fun. But you're actually my enemy. Thank goodness. I was so mad. I was eating dinner. I was like sitting, eating dinner, watching the game. I was like, just hang on to this so I can start stream and I don't have to worry about it. And then they couldn't hang on to it. They never can. I feel targeted. Oh, I didn't know you were from Boston, Bert. Sorry. I didn't know that. Well, they are... Boston is our enemy, unfortunately, so I'm sorry if you feel targeted. What if I choose to root for the Dallas Stars? Dallas Stars are fine. Although, they are on the opposite side of the playoffs from us right now. So, pending, if we end up playing you, which if we ended up playing, that would mean we both made it to the final. And then, you're my enemy. But for now, you're fine. I'm in for all. Have many shirts of Maple Leafs. Well, that's iconic of you. I have a jersey. I should have been wearing it. And I also have a shirt as well from when I went to watch the game outside the arena in 2019, pre-pandemic days. I went to the tailgate outside the arena and I got a shirt. I still have it, I think. Couldn't pull it out, but I still have it somewhere. I live in Texas, so I'm rooting for the Dallas Stars. That's okay. That's acceptable. Everybody's hockey team choices are acceptable. Just know that if you come against the Leafs, I'm gonna have to oppose you for a bit. And if you are Boston or Montreal, I oppose you always. So that's just how it works. Anyways, fun. Yeah. Anybody else have anything fun to report? I don't think I have anything fun. I went for a walk after work today. That was fun. Saw lots of deer. Saw lots of deer outside. Did I see anything else? I saw a woodpecker. That was kind of fun. I tried to take a picture of the woodpecker, but I couldn't really get that close to the tree and it flew away. Should have brought my camera with me instead of just having like my phone. Yeah. I went to one local hockey game and got a shirt, and now people ask me about them and I don't know anything. That's the best. I mean, if it's a nice shirt, it's a nice shirt. I support people just wearing shirts that have cool stuff on them, even if you don't necessarily know that thing. I'm not gonna be that person that like, ugh, when people are wearing like a band shirt and people are like, do you even know their music? Like, no, it's okay. Just if you like how something looks, just wear it. That's what I think. I appreciate that. Yeah, you have my support. But yeah. Anyway, do I have anything else to say? I don't know. Sports or not, funny story at the end of the day. Sports or not, funny story at the end of the day. What does that mean? You have a funny story for me at the end of the day? That message confused me. Name one of their songs. Exactly! That's how people talk, Reagan. For real. Yeah. For the shirt. Oh. I see. I understand now. Yeah. Well, I'm here to play Kirby tonight. And we're finishing Kirby, unless something goes deeply wrong. I think we're here to finish Kirby. I think the only things I have left are, like, those battle arena things. And then getting a bunch more of the collectibles from the machines. Pay to win. We love that. Hello, is this thing on? Hi, Jimmy. How are you? How's it going? Oh my god, now that Jimmy's here, sorry, I just have to talk about this. Guys, I'm panicking about Switch 2 pre-orders. I'm so anxious about it. People are making out like it's gonna be really difficult. I'm scared. People are talking about like scalpers and resellers and stuff. To be honest, you want my take? My take, as someone who doesn't really know much about games generally, is that I think the PS5 scared people. Because the PS5 rollout was terrible, from what I know. I didn't buy one, and I don't have one, and I don't want one. But the PS5, they made like 2 PS5s for the entire world to fight over. And look what happened, and then it was terrible. But I don't think Nintendo's gonna make that mistake. I think they know that they're ballers and that people are gonna want the Switch 2 and they're gonna make like 1 million. I heard there was something about getting in if you have playtime on a Switch. I heard something about that also. Or like I heard something about that too, but I feel like maybe it was an American only thing. Or like something if you have being able to sign up for a pre-order slot if you have Nintendo Online or like that kind of thing. But I never heard anything about that in Canada. So I don't know if that's an option for us. I'm just gonna be logging on and hoping for the best. And I was going to pre-order from Walmart, but then I realized I'm pretty sure the Walmart pre-orders are like to get it shipped to you, not to pick it up in store on the day. And I can't risk not having it on opening day. I will be sitting here on June 5th playing Mario Kart World. So I cannot be risking any delivery business. I'm going to the store. Especially because I live in like a small city in the middle of nowhere. So you know, if I don't know how reliable these things are, but you know, if I pre-order it, I would be the person that would like, it would be late. And then I'd be sitting here sad. Is Best Buy doing in-store? I don't know. I need more information. See, I feel like I know nothing. That's why I want to go with GameStop, because I know they definitely will. But their pre-orders are at literally 9 a.m. on a weekday. Like, hi, we have jobs. I literally have a job. Can you not? And any other day, Like, I would be able to go to my desk and just, like, sit and do it, and, like, I have breathing room at the beginning of my day, but it's the one day where I actually have stuff to do right at 9 a.m. Me at work pre-ordering the Switch 2. Literally me. It's gonna be me. Anyways, we'll figure it out. Crazy how the Australian pre-order has already been... The Australian pre-order literally started, like, a couple hours after the Direct, and Josh and Wings have had their pre-orders secured for like weeks. Must be nice. We already had to wait longer, and then we also had to be held up by the tariffs for some reason. Sorry, Americans. I would have been happy leaving you behind in this case. I'm really sorry. I think we should have been able to pre-order it already. But it's fine. I'm going to try for Best Buy, and then if that fails, I'll do GameStop. Yeah, that's pretty smart. That's pretty smart. Best Buy is pretty good. I do like Best Buy. Get it from Shoppers. Are they gonna have it? Me when I buy my Switch 2 from a drugstore? That'd be fun. No, we're sorry. Thank you, Joe. I appreciate you apologizing on behalf of your nation. You definitely have the authority to apologize on behalf of everyone, so I accept. That's where I got my original Switch. Oh, wow. I think I got my original Switch at EB Games, so which is now GameStop. Because EB Games doesn't exist anymore. I'm pretty sure it's GameStop now. Like, that's what it turned into. So, technically, I got it at GameStop. But it was in 2017? RIP EB Games. I know. You got yours at 7-Eleven? Is that real? Wait, why don't I believe it? Not real, okay, I was gonna say. I'm gullible. I believe everything. I can't read tone in chat at all. I mean, who can? But, like, I feel like I'd be falling for things every day. That would have been cool, though. Big Gulp Kirby edition. Oh my gosh. That would have been funny. I wonder what, like, the most random place is that you can buy one. I don't know. Anyways, I will be securing it no matter what. What I want to know is if my GameStop will be doing midnight release. Because if my GameStop is doing midnight, then, like, that's that decided for me. I will be pre-ordering from them. Because I want to go and get it at midnight. That would be so fun. But if my GameStop doesn't do that, I don't really care where I get it from, to be honest. I'll get it from wherever. So yeah, we'll see. I'm hoping they release the list of who's gonna do it. Although, I shouldn't even get my hopes up about that. Because those kind of things, like, people who live in a city the size of mine, like, we're always getting left out from these things. Like, if I lived in, like, Toronto or something... If I lived where I used to live, I could have definitely gone for a midnight release. But now I live in the middle of nowhere, and they're not going to do anything. Didn't get a midnight release for the Hunger Games book. Probably not going to get a midnight release for the Switch. I just want to go somewhere at midnight and get something. Is that too much to ask? It is, when I live somewhere like this. I've never had the experience of, like, having a midnight fun time. Not for a movie, not for a book release. Not for anything. Do they ever do midnight releases for, like, individual games? Is that a thing? I feel like it's not. At least not that I remember. You could, like, have a friend bury something in the woods and go dig it up at midnight. Is that a good idea? Yeah, maybe that would give me, like, the same feeling. Maybe that'd be fun. Although, I don't know if I like digging. Not with my hands. Maybe with a shovel. I don't want to get dirt on my hands. I think so. I don't know if Nintendo would do it, though. Like, oh my god, imagine if they made a new 3D Mario. Guys, I'm dreaming now. Imagine if they made a new 3D Mario and they did a midnight release. Oh, I would take the next day off work. I'd be playing all night. It'd be so fun. Your hands are dirty enough with that hockey website. I know. There's this thing called a shovel. That's what I said, Matt. I said if I wouldn't do it unless I had a shovel. That's literally what I said before I said I wouldn't want to get my hands dirty. I was like, I would need a shovel. But I don't have a shovel. And I don't have any reason to get one. So if I were to get a shovel, I wouldn't even have anywhere to keep it. So if I were to get a shovel, I would take it, dig up the thing, and then just leave it sitting there. And then that would look really suspicious. I don't listen. It's okay. Falafel, I have not seen Stranger Things, actually. I know. Before anyone says it, I know. Everyone's seen it. I have not. I haven't even watched one episode. My brain does this weird thing where I resist things that are, like, too hyped. And Stranger Things was definitely too hyped. Even though I'm sure it's great, and I'm sure I'd probably like it if I watched it. I just didn't. I'm watching it. You're watching it now for the first time? Do you recommend? Is it too late for me to get on the train? They dig up a switch in Stranger Things. I have the same feeling, Laura. I'm getting better. I'm getting better with it. I think Matt has made me better in that way. Because I used to feel that way about Marvel. I was like, miss me with a Marvel movie. Please, I would rather die. But then I watched all the Marvel movies with Matt and I was like, I get it now. I was like, I understand why people like this. I was like that with Ted Lasso, but I'm very glad I eventually watched it. Ooh, I haven't seen Ted Lasso. I don't know if it would be my thing, though. Matt has seen it. Matt has introduced me to many things in the world of TV. I didn't even watch that many TV shows previously until Matt started showing me, like, everything, I feel. I've gotten a lot better with music, but not much with other stuff. I'm still viscerally anti-Marvel. I would say I'm kind of anti-Marvel again now. Like, I watched everything up to Endgame, and then, like, the next couple movies, and then now I'm, like, over it. Like, I haven't watched anything new. I would never presume to say anyone should watch any particular thing, especially someone I don't know well. I mean, I'm sure it's great. Lots of people love it. So I'm sure it's awesome. Maybe one day. Honestly, I would consider more stuff if I didn't already have so much stuff to watch right now. Like, we've been drowning in content, and I love that. There was a while where we had nothing to watch, and now we have lots of things to watch. The Last of Us is happening right now. Severance just ended. Andor is starting tonight. Don't say anything about Andor. I don't think anybody's watched it at this point. Don't say anything if you have. You'll get immediate ban. What else are we watching? Well, we like Survivor. We're watching that. Anyways, lots of stuff. Hi, Josh. Enjoy your lurk. And wings, perhaps, if you're here. Regan, that's not... I don't think that's a spoiler. That's not very specific. New Amazing Race tomorrow. That's exciting. New Amazing Race is exciting. This is why I just rewatch stuff. Yeah, I mean, rewatching stuff can be nice. I haven't rewatched anything. Well, I'm currently rewatching This Is Us because they're doing a rewatch podcast. But I don't rewatch much aside from that. I feel like there's just always so many new things to watch. There's lots of things I would like to rewatch. I rewatch movies, not shows. Rewatching a show, it takes too long. Especially if it's a really long show. If it was short, then maybe. I have no idea what Andor is. Andor is a Star Wars show. About the guy from Rogue One. So that's what it is. It's good. I recommend. Yeah. And see, that's another thing. Jimmy, see, I was resistant to... Ow. I just smacked my hand on my desk. Talking with my hands too much. I was Hell, what word am I looking for? I was reluctant. I was resistant. Oh my god, pun intended. I was resistant to watching Star Wars. But then I started dating a Star Wars person. And here we are. And I kind of have this trait where I just like everything. Like, I'm so not critical. I feel like I've watched very few shows that I've been like, wow, I hated that. Or movies even. Like, I feel like I can find something in everything, you know? Even music. Like, I don't dislike a lot of music. And I feel like most of the music that I do dislike, it's like, because I know people are icky, if that makes sense. If I know you're, like, problematic, if you're a musician and I know you're problematic, then I don't like that. But, like, aside from that, I can kind of get around anything. But yeah, there are a lot of Star Wars shows. I have not seen many of them. I've only seen Andor, Skeleton Crew, which is another new one. I haven't even seen The Mandalorian, which is, like, the big one. So. But yeah, anyways. Bet I'll send you all my liked songs. I really need to listen to all of your recommendations still. That is another thing about me. I love everything, and yet I'm really bad at getting to people's recommendations. I have a Spotify playlist with every song that people have recommended me that I could find in messages and stuff with people, and I haven't started listening to it. So I need to do that. What a blessing. We live in a world with so much stuff. We can enjoy so much stuff. There's also lots of stuff that's bad, but like we can enjoy so much stuff. Isn't that nice? I'm behind on mine too. Yeah. It's hard, like honestly, it's hard to find time to listen to music. And that might sound weird because I feel like listening to music is something that you can do like passively, but I feel like if I'm actually trying to like get into like music, I want to sit and actually listen to it and like pay attention. Or maybe listen to it while I'm on a walk. But then sometimes I have other stuff I want to listen to, so that I don't get to the stuff I'm supposed to listen to. There are 312 songs in there. Kind of fricked. That is many songs. Many songs for you to discover. Hi, Kirby Cart! We were waiting for you. I mean, we were waiting for you to start Kirby. Not really. I was just chatting. But hi. We'll get to Kirby soon. I've been driving more, which has been helping with listening to more music. Driving is so fun for listening to music. There's only been one period of my life where I drove to and from work, which was when I lived with my parents for a while and I used their car. And I used to love listening to music on my drives, even though it was only like a 20-minute drive. I still enjoyed the music. I sometimes listen to music when I'm at work, but the problem is I work in like an office with like 5 or 6 people in it, and I sometimes need to be able to hear people, so it's kind of hard to listen to music. Glad to know your entire universe revolves around me as a random chatter. It really does. You're welcome. The Helpening, is that wait, is that a movie? You said song, but then you said I mean movie. I have no idea. The Helpening is a funny word though. That's what happens when your brain tries to say 2 words at once. Anyways, anybody else watching anything fun? Anybody have any, what's everybody watching right now? What's like your thing right now? What are you reading? What are you watching? What are you listening to? What's the vibes? I'll tell you what I'm doing. Oh, I see, Joe. I see. I have no idea if it is still. I'm watching you. Ah, thanks. That's not really what I meant, but thanks. You are watching me right now. That's fair. I just started reading The Circle, which I'm excited about. Daredevil Born Again. Matt has been telling me about Daredevil. I haven't watched it. I'm listening to Tears for Fears. That's a good choice. Tears for Fears, good. I thought you studied film. I don't know what I said to bring on that comment. As soon as I say something, it's left my brain. I don't know what I said. I remember that book. Yeah, they made it into a movie, and I haven't seen the movie. But perhaps after I read the book, I'll have to watch the movie. I started it 2 nights ago. And I'm rereading Catcher in the Rye. That's fun. Isn't that ADHD? Yeah. I think I have ADHD. I haven't never been tested or like anything for it. But I'm like 1000% sure. And not in like a quirky, like diagnosing myself like, haha, I'm so ADHD kind of way. Like actually, like it disrupts my life. But I think getting diagnosed is really expensive. And I don't have a doctor, so it'll have to wait. Yeah. What else am I doing right now? Well, me and Matt are watching The Last of Us, so that's fun. I've been listening to The Wombats, which is a band. So there you go. That's what I'm enjoying right now. And I'm playing Kirby. And me and Matt were playing Split Fiction, but we finished it. Fun is the word I would use for The Last of Us. Yeah, so fun. Did you guys see that episode this week? Fun, that's the perfect word to describe it. Okay, yeah, not fun vibes, but fun to watch. A laugh riot, really. Yeah, just hilarious. So good, so funny. Very comedic. Yeah, very, very comedic. The first episode of The Last of Us, I'm just gonna tell this to everyone that will listen. The first episode of this season of The Last of Us was filmed partially in my hometown. Not my hometown. My hometown where I currently live, not my hometown where I'm from. It was filmed here, where I am currently. Which is exciting. And one time me and Matt went to the Last of Us bridge from the first season. That was fun too. I went on another record store trip, $108 gone. That's what the record store will do to you. That is what the record store will do to you. I haven't been to an actual record store in a while. Again, because I live in the middle of nowhere and our only record store is not very good. So, sorry to them. There's nowhere interesting to film in our hometown. Jimmy, but they have. That's the thing. They have filmed stuff there. Maybe not in our hometown exactly, but in like adjacent towns. They filmed The Handmaid's Tale there. And probably some like not that great Canadian shows. Depends on your bar. American like popular productions, no. But like Canadian productions, probably a lot. But does anyone know them? No. Do I know them? No. Me with bookstores. Probably film some news there. They do film the news. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Bookstores are fun. I am mostly an e-reader main these days, and I borrow my ebooks from the library. But when I got the new Hunger Games book, I got a physical book. And like, to be honest, I've been reading books on my e-reader for the last like almost year now. I got my e-reader last June. And I've been enjoying my ebooks, and I've been like on that vibe. But then I read one physical book, and I was like, ooh, that was nice. I kind of liked turning the pages. But I don't have many physical books. I guess I could go to the real library, the real place, the library, and get real books. And I have a library card now. I was about to literally just hold it up on stream, and then I realized that would literally tell you where I live. This is my... Here, I'll show you my library card without showing you my library card. I won't show you the name. So that I don't give people my info. I only recently got a library card. Look, my library card has a, like, fox on it. How do I cover this up? It has a fox. Just the account number is fine. Yeah, sure, I'll show you the back. Show you the barcode. Anyway. Yep. The news was in the Student Life Center the other day, and I had to actively avoid being in the camera shot. Oh my god, I would be trying to get them to interview me. I would be like, guys, even if I didn't know what was happening, I'd be like pretending I knew. I'd be like, interview me. I went to 7 libraries 2 weeks ago. See, that in itself is a flex because we only have 1 library. So like, you saying that you went to 7 libraries, you must live somewhere like big. We have 1. That's cool though. Did you find any fun books or any fun things? Libraries are fun. I really like the Vancouver Public Library. Every time I go to Vancouver, I always go in the library and just like sit and walk around because I love the Vancouver Public Library main branch is so cool. And it's in this like round building. It's cool. Reading sucks. Falafel. That's fair, I guess. If you don't like reading, that's okay if it's not for you. I didn't read for a long time. Before last year, I haven't read a book for years. Many, many years. And now I've read so many. I haven't set foot in a library in like a decade. Libraries are fun. They're vibey. Another reason to be my nemesis. Oh no. That's true also, Joe. There's so many cool things at libraries that aren't books. I found a board game I've been wanting to play. That's cool. That's really cool. I don't know if any libraries that I've been to have had board games, but that's really cool. I know a lot of them have like cool tools and stuff that you can access. Like sometimes you can go and just like 3D print stuff in a library and that kind of thing. My library has records. That's cool. I know I've seen CDs at libraries before. For sure. Maybe not records, but I've seen CDs. And they also have movies sometimes, like DVDs. Oh, you've been to a library? Then name every book. Oh my god. Also, hi, Spicy. I don't know if I said hi to you. Hi. I definitely couldn't name every book. There's too many. I want to write a book. Guys, I have an idea, low-key, for a book. But it'll never happen. I'll never motivate myself to write. Maybe one day. Will you guys buy my book if I get published? Same. There's just one book, The Good Book, aka The Giving Tree. Oh, The Giving Tree. My brain is full of ideas. Spicy, you wouldn't buy it? What if I sign it? Reagan, you wouldn't buy it either? Wow, good to know that everybody's so supportive. Maybe I have the... I'm not speaking to the correct target audience here. I'd buy it if you didn't sign it. Okay, even easier. Perfect. I won't. I won't do it. I just need to write it now. Yeah, it's rough. One time when I was in like high school, I started writing a book. And I think I wrote quite a lot. I think I wrote like 15,000 words. And then I gave up. And I don't have it anymore. Like any copy of any part of it. I wrote a book in 7th and 8th grade. That's impressive. If it's signed and you're famous, then I'll happily take it for free, then sell it. Wow, that's so rude. That's so rude. I understand. Times are tough, actually. The economy's bad. It's extremely cringe, though. Well, that's okay. We all start somewhere, Jimmy. We all start somewhere. Anyways, have I been yapping for long enough? Should I play Kirby? Poor Kirby Cart came. Kirby Heart, are you still here? Do I have the okay to start playing Kirby? I have the game right here. I was 14, so it was bound to be cringe. Maybe it's actually like great. Like maybe it's like some groundbreaking stuff, Jimmy. And you just haven't read it for a long time, so you think it's cringe. I think you should bust it back out. I think you should publish. As if that's just easy to do. Alright, I'm gonna put Kirby in. I've been yapping for long enough. I don't require Kirby gameplay to survive. I mean, that's fair. Some parts of it are good, but I need to get through the sludge. Yeah. I mean, that's writing anything, to be honest. I feel like everybody starts with... Oops. I feel like everybody starts with, you know, some sludge. I think what's cool is you can see how my writing style and proficiency progresses as you read through it. Yeah, that is kind of neat. That's cool, Jimmy. Yeah, what was it about? Wait, what was the book I was writing about? I don't really remember. I don't know. I feel like it was some kind of weird concept of like someone going into a mirror into a different world. Nothing that hasn't been done before. Nothing groundbreaking, honestly. But I feel like it was something like that. Kirby forgot. He really did. Alright, it's time. It's time to finish it. I should delete my other Switch profile. Why do I even have two? Was that from Suika? I think so. Something to do with Suika. I don't really remember. Woo! It's time. Wait, Kirby Cart. You still have some yen on that account. I should use it to buy a game. Can't let my yen go to waste. Wait. What is this? I accidentally triggered him. No. Sorry, I don't want to hear from you. Kirby, last week I finished collecting all of Leongar's soul. And I started doing all of these things. The battle things. And now my save is at 92%. We're almost there. I've collected every blueprint. Oh, that's what he said. I played on the Switch for the first time a few days ago. What did you play? Did you like it? Okay, we have to do the Ultimate Cup. The Ultimate Cup Z. Or Z, I suppose. Is now available at the Coliseum. Challenging battles with ferocious bosses. Alright. Let's do it. Wait, is this gonna be like all of the Phantom ones or whatever? I should warn you. The Ultimate Cup Z doesn't sound right to say Z. Takes place in some other realm. Yeah, well you'll face where you'll face intense battles with scary foes. I can't follow you into that arena, and worse than that, I can't commentate over your battles. No! I was enjoying the commentary last time. No! That sucks. It was so fun. Okay, guess we'll have to just go for it. A few minutes of Hollow Knight at a friend's place. Hollow Knight looks cool. What did I eat today? That's a great question. For breakfast, I had a banana peanut butter smoothie. For lunch, I had lentil tortilla soup. And for dinner, I had a pulled buffalo chicken sandwich. And some potatoes that I fried up. It was yummy. Okay. Oh, we should have, like, brought a tomato in here with us or something. Oh well. I'm scared of this. What did you eat today, Falafel? What did everybody eat today? Anybody eat anything yummy? Was Monday a public holiday for you guys? No. We don't get Easter Monday off. We only get Good Friday. Oh my gosh, not this guy. But like weirdly some places are closed on Easter Monday, but like not others. Like school, for example, I work at a university and the university was closed on Monday and yet I had to work. Like it was closed for students, but I had to work. Tell me why that makes sense. Ouch. Oh my gosh. I feel like the stars would be a better strategy, honestly. Ow. Okay, ow, jeez. We're gonna die literally immediately. Like... Ow! How do I avoid him? This guy sucks. Sorry, I'm gonna have to read the messages after. Like, he doesn't stop. Oh my god, he moved right as I was about to throw the star at him. Oh my god. What am I supposed to do? Oh, give me the hammer. Bah. Ah! Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh. Kirby has no health. What's he doing? Oh god! Keep running no matter what. Oh no, he left! Why is that allowed? Oh god, he's behind me. Oh. This was a terrible start. It's gonna take me literally the whole time just to do this. I had cereal, a bagel, a donut that was way too sweet, 2 cups of coffee, chicken and rice, and some Easter candy. Ugh, I don't have any Easter candy. I need to get on the Easter candy vibes. I had a big bag of mini eggs before Easter that I finished. I eat shawarma for lunch and hummus for dinner, and I always skip breakfast. Shawarma and hummus is yummy. I'm freezing him. Why couldn't I have had ice before? Freeze, freeze, freeze! Oh, dang. Okay, what? He's literally... I thought I broke him. Why was he literally just chasing me forever? Ouch. Me skating away from my problems. True. Why did it give me sword power the first time I did it, but then ice the second time? Like, why did it change? Oh! Oh, he went slow. Oh! I couldn't react fast enough. Oh my gosh. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Yay. It's actually crazy how much easier that was with the ice than with the sword. I'm honestly keeping the ice. Like, whatever. Who's next? Can't tell who that is. Oh, Florina, maybe? It looks like Florina. I don't want to give up the ice because I feel like I won't get it back. And it's like the best for everything. Oh, it's everybody. It's gonna be everybody. Oh, not the durian. Oh. Stop, 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 stop. Freeze him! Why doesn't he freeze like everybody else? Oh my gosh. Freeze! Oh my god, he just jumps out of it. Oh, and now he's setting me on fire. No, Florina's also here. Crap, I have like no health. Leave me alone, tornado. Oh my god, oh my god. Literally, what is... Yeah, maybe they do have higher body temp than that. Maybe you're onto something. We got her. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. No, Claraline. We have 10 more battles and I'm already like out of fruit. That's not good. That is not good. I mean, I guess I can just keep paying if I die. I'll just drain all of my money. Oh my gosh. You went to an escape room. That's fun. I've never been to an escape room there. Was it good? Oh my gosh. She's almost frozen. Yeah, it kind of is, Joe. It's... I'm doing, like, the extra stuff now to just 100%. Like, I've already played all of the actual levels and played, like, everything there is to play. But I'm playing this, like, arena battle thing just to complete them all. Oh, no! Because I like to... Oh, I forgot there's 4 of her. I like to do completionists. Oh no! Where's she going? Oh my gosh. Literally freeze. Literally freeze! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's so scary. She's literally so scary. Oh, I missed. I barely even registered that I had a star in my mouth. Not gonna lie. Oh god, where'd she go? Oh my goodness. Whoa, oh no. Okay, I have to remember to dodge every time. Oh, and then I have to jump as well. There's the real one. We got her. Oh no! Oh. Oh, oh my god, we got her. I had like 1 health left. That's crazy. See ya. Welcome back, Devin. He's doing great in there, folks. Keep it up. Well, thanks for your encouragement. We literally have no fruit left. We've already used it all. Like, we've actually already used it all. Who is this? Oh, it's Wild Frosty and Wild Edge. It's Frosty and Edge. I see it in the silhouettes. Well, maybe this won't be that awful. Wild Frosty, you once evaded me. But now I'm too good. What is this snowman jumping around? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh! Personally, I think I should be immune to ice because I have the ice power up, but that's fine. And I guess he doesn't freeze. But I thought he did. No, he is kind of starting to freeze. Oh. No, no, no! Literally do not eat me. I don't taste good. What do you guys think Kirby would taste like? Ah! That's true, Joe. Ah! Pink! Cotton candy. It tastes like pink. Like a marshmallow peep. Oh, marshmallow peeps are so good. Speaking of Easter candy. I love peeps. Ah! What just happened? Pepto-Bismol. Pepto tastes good. So, it's kind of valid. Good night, Baron. Joe, you probably could. Since Easter just ended. I want to see if I can find some Cadbury mini eggs on sale. Because that's what I'm after, truly. Who is this? Oh, it's Gurimondo. Okay, we have no health and we can't get any more of this, so. I guess we're just going for it. I don't know if ice is good to use against this guy. Oh, and of course it's the Phantom version also. Sorry if you get woken up from yelling or screaming. I may scream. No promises. You know what? I'm gonna go with the star meta. Oh no. Oh, scary. Well, hopefully you won't hear me if I scream. But hopefully I won't be screaming, because it's gonna be fine. No need to scream. Oh my god. Oh, I'm flattened. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so gonna scream. I'm sorry. What? Oh, yes, I will pay your money. Good thing I have so much money. Yes, this is what we needed. Yeah, Jimmy, that was dumb. This, though, is gonna save us. Ready? Here we go. Oh, shit. I messed that up. I waited too long. Okay, wait. Go now, go now, go now. Go, 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 go. Okay, we didn't get him entirely, but we did a good amount of damage. And I'm kind of thinking the star method is best anyway. Not this again. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't know about that. That's crazy. Wasted. Oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no, I don't like this at all. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Oh. Oh, he left. I hate when they do that. They should stay in one place so that I can aim at them. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do it this time. Ready? Oh, yeah. We're too good. Ah! We're almost there. Come on, give me some stars. We did it. After I got back to my dorm room and the fire alarm went off at 2 a.m., my roommate had to wake me up for it. I drank a can of Mountain Dew soda and then went back to bed and woke up 4 hours later. Mountain Dew, the caffeine in Mountain Dew scares me. There's actually so much more than I realized. And I learned it the hard way because I'm very sensitive to caffeine. And one time, when I did my first 24-hour stream, I drank a Mountain Dew, like, close to the beginning of the stream, and then, like, 5 or 6 hours into the stream, I literally went to the bathroom because I was having a panic attack because of the caffeine. It was so bad, and I was like sitting there in my bathroom, and I was like, I'm only 5 hours into the 24-hour stream. What am I gonna do? And I wasn't even drinking the Mountain Dew with the intention of it being caffeinated. I didn't even know. I just was drinking it because I liked Mountain Dew. It was so bad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm surprised you could go to sleep as well after that because I felt atrocious after I drank that Mountain Dew. And honestly, I don't think I've ever drank it again after that. I think I'm scarred from that experience. Granted, I could probably handle it better now because I think- oh no! Whoa! He caught me in the air. I think I can handle caffeine better than I used to. Like, I can have coffee the odd time and it won't, like, destroy me or anything. But I think I would stay away from the Mountain Dew. I think it's scary. This guy! I'm not even picking up the stars. Oh! It was already gone. Okay, we got one hit. I didn't even take the power-up that it was offering me was the drill, and I didn't even want it, so... Wait, can I eat these? Oh! Oh, I can eat those and shoot them back. This is not good, though. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, you're joking. Why is he allowed to catch me in the air? Yeah, I didn't think I was making it out of that one. I didn't know he did that. Did he do that when I fought him before? I don't remember that at all. Maybe I... Give me, like... Oh, okay. This is fine. I was gonna say, like, give me the gun one or something, because that would be good against him. Before the fire alarm went off at 2 a.m. a couple days before the fire alarm went off at 6:45 a.m. That is terrible. Why was it going off so much? It was snowing, and I wore flip-flops while I was wearing a long-sleeve shirt and sweatpants over my shorts, so my feet were cold. When the fire alarm went off at 2 a.m. 2 days later, I learned to wear a hoodie and sweatpants over my shorts and running shoes. That is smart. You learned your lesson. I have never experienced the fire alarm going off in this building. Luckily. It has gone off, but every time it's gone off, I've conveniently not been here. The fire alarm went off at my old apartment one time. Okay, that was good. We took quite a bit of damage off him. Oh, and we're going down. Nice. I know this part. I know how to beat him in this part. Oh! Give me that star. Ah! Yeah, I need to be eating these things. I didn't even, like, realize I could do that. Oh, we're so good. He's so silly. He's trying to make it all sandy so I can't see. What a silly guy. Oh, what? He blocked me. That's rude. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, you had Skittles. Actually, I'm not a big fan of Skittles. They're not my fave. I mean, I think I've said this before on stream, but I am more of a chocolate person than a candy person overall in my life. I would typically take chocolate over candy. But I hope you enjoyed your Skittles, nonetheless. Skittles are fine. Like, I don't dislike them. I just wouldn't prefer them to a chocolate, you know? Oh, no. Chocolate Skittles. I like sour Skittles more, I think. IRL, you can't eat stars, only in Kirby. Yeah, imagine if you could eat stars IRL. That'd be fun. I wish. Kirby has such a monstrous appetite. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh no! Can of D's? What did I say? Sour Skittles are good. Who do we have next? Oh no, it's the tree! I don't like the tree! I don't like the tree! You said, oh, because I said candies. I see. Candy. Tropic Woods, they could never make me love you. Ow! What the heck? At least I like literally set him on fire though. That's kind of helpful. I don't condone burning trees in real life. I just want to say, please don't burn. I'm not. No, I'm not pro deforestation. Don't say that. I am not. Save the trees. Some burning is good for trees. That's true. That's true. I support it in that sense. I support deforestation. Oh no. I support it when it is used. Okay, I don't think that's deforestation though. I support when it is used to prevent burning and forest fires, because I live in a location that unfortunately often has forest fires in the summer. So I support that. No, I don't support. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna keep the fire for this. I'm gonna drain all of the money that I made in this game, just doing this over and over again. What am I hearing? We're talking about deforestation, no big deal. I just don't like this specific tree. I have nothing against other trees. And like, can you blame me? This guy's annoying. He was a second off dying before. I know, I know. I couldn't keep it going, unfortunately. Oh my god, I went to the dead end. Oh, that was silly. Oh, I hate the roots! I just need to get him on fire, like properly on fire. I don't understand how you're supposed to... Oh, is it? No. I thought you were supposed to hide behind the roots. I don't know how you're supposed to avoid that. Oh, he was like literally... I wasn't doing anything. Hi, Kayla! How is everybody? Kayla, is your... Are you done school this week? As in, okay, not done school. Is your school done this week? Are you almost free for the summer? I am. We have inspections on Thursday and Friday. Move out was last weekend. Oh my god, jealous. Our move out is this week. That's a cool raid alert. Thank you. It's from Captain Toad Treasure Tracker. I enjoyed the song. Yeah, our school had a weird, dumb exam schedule, and so our move-out's not till Wednesday. It's so dumb. Tomorrow, I suppose. Anyways, hi everybody. How's it going? How was your stream? You were doing Pokemon. Did you enjoy it? Was it fun? Joe, if you're asking me if I'm done school, the answer is yes. I'm not in school, but I work at a school. And Kayla is one of my ex-coworkers, so we have the same job. Kayla just doesn't work with me anymore. So that's what I'm discussing. But I'm a manager of a university residence. I was just marveling at your syntax. Oh, thank you. Is that bad? Are you done school? Is that... Wait, would you not say that? Still 2 months of school for me. I'm sorry. I hope you can get through it. It'll be here before you know it. I believe in you. I was done with college in May 2024. Okay, so about a year ago. Nice. I'm learning. I've been seeing... It's efficient. I've been seeing some reels lately about, like, some differences in the way that Canadians, like, speak. Like, some linguistics things that I didn't realize were, like, weird. That we word things like that. Which is kind of interesting. Like, I saw this thing... I don't know how many people in here currently are Canadians versus how many are not. Hold on, I need to talk about this. I need to get into this. I saw this video of this guy. He was talking about it. And he was talking about how being in Canada, the way we speak, being done something and done with something means different. So like if you're, let's say I'm at a restaurant and I'm eating my food at a restaurant, and if I said, I'm done this, that would mean like I finished eating it. But if I say I'm done with this, that means like I don't want to eat it anymore. Like I'm over it. Or I don't want to finish it. Which restaurant? That's not the point. Any restaurant. But anyway, I didn't realize that's strange. Tim Hortons, obviously. I'm not a Tim Hortons supporter. What food? Isn't that just the same thing? Like, it is, but it has different meaning for us, which is interesting. And I didn't realize that was, like, not a thing. Joe, you're not currently Canadian. Were you Canadian at one point? Also, hi, Foss. How are you? Jimmy, you'll get done school eventually. I believe in you. I'm done with this is either I don't want it or I'm done eating. Yeah, it's interesting. I am not now, nor have I ever been Canadian. Oh. I thought you were about to say you, like, had some history with us or something. A shame. You give Canadian vibes, if that's a compliment at all. Like, if you told me you were Canadian, I wouldn't be surprised. I wish. Yeah. You just have, like, kind, calm vibes. I think it was interesting phrasing of the question. I feel like I'm done with in both. I feel like I use I'm done with in both contexts. Maybe that's just because you're on, like, another intellectual level, Jimmy. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Stop it. I'm Canadian adjacent. Border is an hour north. Oh, that's not too far. You could technically say you're Canadian. I'll let you get away with it. I used to live, like, within an hour of the border, and now I don't. I got farther away. I thought Canada was only such a large country because they needed room for all the Tim Hortons. Ugh. Tim Hortons is one stereotype I would happily get rid of. Any Canadians that are here, what's your actual opinion on Tim Hortons? Because I'm kind of a hater. Bring back Second Cup. Oh, Second Cup is good. I've heard that Tim's has gotten worse over the years. I would agree. They have pizza now, which is weird. Like, you're doing too much. You're literally doing too much. I miss the sugar on the muffins. Oh, Tim Hortons muffins are alright. The pizza is actually good now. No, the pizza is actually good, though. I haven't tried it, to be fair. But I just feel like it's too much. Like, you're doing too much. Yeah, they've lost the plot. Exactly, Kirby. Just give me a coffee and a donut and send me on my way. I don't get that much stuff from there. Yeah, Harvey's bought... No, yeah, it was Burger King that bought Tim's. Kayla's correct. Who is Tim? If you actually want to know who Tim Horton was, he was a hockey player. That's what it's named after. Tim Horton was a hockey player, and he died in a car accident. But I'm pretty sure Tim Hortons existed before he passed away. He's Tim Horton. Is this like Horton Hears a Who? No! One of the things I like from Tim Hortons is they have, like, a pastry that is filled with, like, garlic cream cheese, and I like that. Put that in the microwave. Yum. Delicious. That's pretty good. And the donuts are, like, fine. I like their hot chocolate a lot, actually. And, you know, I will say, hot chocolate, I feel, is very hit or miss. At, like, coffee shops, cafes, places, I feel like hot chocolate's really hit or miss, and I actually really like the Tim Hortons hot chocolate. So, I think it's good. Joe hates it now too. You're easily influenced. Well, I'm glad to have influenced you. I go there for bagels and coffee and the occasional breakfast sandwich. Oh my god, when I was in school, we had a Tim Hortons in our campus, and I would always get farmer's wraps. Anybody who maybe has Canadian meme algorithm, you'll probably see memes about having a farmer's wrap and an ice cap and it just absolutely destroying your stomach. It's true. I used to always get a farmer's wrap on the break between classes, and it would hurt my stomach every time. But I would still do it because it was good. Yeah. They used to have a maple bagel, and it was so good. I miss that and the maple biscuit. My Switch is going to sleep. They used to have a donut called a Canadian maple donut. And it was like a Boston cream donut, but with maple icing instead of chocolate icing. Oh my god, it was so good. That was like my main donut. They don't have it anymore. I was at work and a student brought one to me because they messed up his order. It was my first time trying it and it was so bad. Is it when you put a farmer in a tortilla? There's no actual farmer in the wrap. A farmer's wrap is egg, cheese, either sausage or bacon, and they put a hash brown patty like in the wrap. It's good, but they also made Tim Hortons eggs gross. Like the eggs they used to have was just like a yellow egg patty, and it was like fine. But now they have this gross, slimy like egg, and I don't like it. That is when I got off board with Tim's, when they introduced that egg. I was like, yeah, I'm done now. No more of this. I don't like the egg now. Yeah. Oh yeah, and it has chipotle sauce, which is good too. Pressed in a wrap. Yeah. I don't mind the eggs, but the hash brown and the weird sauce completely turned me off. No, the hash brown and the sauce is the best part. I haven't had one in a long time though. And they had roll up the rim. I was showing everybody this. Where did my rim go? That sounded weird. Sorry. If you don't know the context, that sounded weird, and now I can't find it, so I'm gonna look weird. They have roll up the rim, where you roll up the rim on the cup, and then you get a prize. And I had one, but I don't know where it is. It's too much food for me, I suppose. That's fair, Jimmy. I think in the nugget tier list, Tim's chicken strips were last. Oh, I've never had their chicken strips. I don't know about that. Tim Hortons doesn't have the Minecraft toys, which sucks. Yeah, they don't have the Minecraft movie meal. I miss rolling up that rim. Bro, I had roll up the rim like a few weeks ago, and I won a free coffee from it, but then I lost it, so it didn't do me any good. Can't be as bad as that thing that McDonald's passes off as scrambled eggs. I don't think I've ever had scrambled eggs from McDonald's. I've only had like the egg that they put in the Egg McMuffins, which is good. I love an Egg McMuffin, to be fair. I don't know where it went. Oh well. Anyways, thanks again for the raid. Sorry, I got derailed from doing what I was doing, but this was a fun conversation. Takes on McGriddles. Ooh, I don't know if I've had one, but I don't think I would like it. A McGriddle, if anybody doesn't know, it's like, isn't it like a breakfast sandwich, but it's in between two pancakes? I don't think I like that. I don't think I like that. Oh, you hate things that are great? I guess so. I didn't say I hate it. I just don't think I would like it. I haven't had it before. So I can't say for sure. I just don't think I would enjoy it. It's the same at Tim's. It's the same egg. No, the McDonald's egg is just better though. I don't know. The scrambled eggs are a folded square of ick. I don't know that one. Syrup infused pancakes. Interesting. McDonald's has mid pancakes, so I don't even know if I've ever had pancakes. I always just get an Egg McMuffin. That sounds good in theory, but it would probably make my stomach hurt. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel, Jimmy. Seems really sticky and gross. No, I don't think it's sticky. I've seen a McGriddle before. My friends have eaten them in my presence, but I don't think I've had one. It's good. Comes with the standard stomach and mouth coat consequences. Yeah. I just love Egg McMuffins. I love the sausage in Egg McMuffin, and I love the regular ham one as well. They're a little sticky. I'm hearing mixed information about how sticky these things are. I will not be finding out anytime soon. I'm falling asleep, but I'm keeping the stream open on my phone with my earbuds plugged in. All right, good luck, Devin. Enjoy your sleep if you fall asleep. I'll try not to yell too loud and wake you up. Jimmy. The pancake buns are better than the pancakes, at least. Oh, are they? It's like a different thing? Interesting. Maybe I should try it someday. Maybe someday. I'll let you all know if I try a McGriddle, what I think of it. Stay tuned for my review, I guess. Nice. How do we get here? I don't remember why we started talking about this. Yell more. I won't yell more. This will sound dumb, but is there Burger King in Canada? Yeah, we have Burger King. I've only had it, like, I could probably count the times on one hand that I've had it in my life, but we do have it. There was a Burger King across the street from my college. Or across the street from my residence. And I had it a few times there. It was fine. I feel like it's pretty low tier in terms of, like, fast food, but it's cheap. It has that going for it. You know? I almost refused it on principle. See, I kind of felt like that too, Jimmy. But the thing is, I feel like Burger King is like pretty okay. I feel like it's not, it's a similar quality to McDonald's and it's cheaper, I think. So I don't know. Burger King is better than McDonald's at least. You think so? Fast food hamburgers just freak me out. Well, I don't like hamburgers at all. I have chicken burgers or chicken sandwiches. Do not start this conversation with me. Burger King onion rings are good. That's true, Joe. They are good. But yeah, I'm always, if I have fast food, I'm having a chicken sandwich slash burger and chicken nuggets. Or chicken nuggets. That's what I'm having. I don't like hamburgers. I don't like beef burgers. We have a Five Guys a few blocks from the building most of my classes are in. I have never had Five Guys. I don't think. Harvey's is, yes, Kayla, those are some good takes. Harvey's Buffalo Chicken Burger, yum. So good. I don't remember how we got on this topic. But A&W chicken burgers are also really good. So I really enjoy that take, Kayla. I think you're smart. I think you're onto something. I really enjoy Popeyes. I've been a Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich enjoyer. I'm trying to think what else is good. Wendy's is alright. Wendy's chicken sandwiches are pretty good. Popeyes is great. Popeyes is decent. Yeah, it's good. I love the spicy Popeyes. With the pickles. Yum. Guys, KFC, I genuinely have not had since I was a kid. Because I think the last time I had KFC, I got sick after. And I don't even think it was the KFC specifically that made me sick. I think I was just sick anyway. But I can't do it anymore. Like, I won't eat it again. Because of that. I just don't. I have no interest. I can't. A&W Chubby Chicken Burger with fries and a Chipotle mayo was my lunch at work in retail for years. That's so good. That's so good, Kayla. Weirdly, this makes me want to find a local restaurant to support. Honestly, so true. If you take anything away from this, guys, fast food is all mid. Support your local restaurants. We love them. As much as I say all of this, I really actually don't eat fast food that much anymore. I actually don't eat out that much at all anymore. I have kind of been on the meal prep grind. Sorry to ruin the vibes, guys. Sorry to be a buzzkill. I meal prep. So I actually don't eat out that much anymore. But if I ever do, it's usually to like local places. Not really to fast food. Because I feel like, I thought this stream was sponsored by fast food. No, it is not. You'd think from the way we're talking. When it comes to pizza, local pizza shops are better than franchises. I would agree, Falafel. Getting some good local pizza is good. Meal prep is rad. I hate to say it, but it really does save a lot of money, and it really is good for you if you can make healthy stuff. Yeah, just Tim Horton. He's the only one sponsoring us. Unfortunately, the fast food I like more than most is a more local chain, mostly in Washington and Oregon, though I saw one in Montana. Oh, that's interesting. More local fast food. There's a restaurant on my campus that makes great pizza. I'm craving it now. Yeah, pizza's so good. There's a pizza place that I really like here, but it's a chain. It's not a local one. The GTA has Pizzaville chain, which I like. I think I've had Pizzaville before. Yeah, I think it's alright. Oh, Taco Time. I think I've seen Taco Times when I've been in the Western US before. I haven't been there. Magic Pizza. Oh, yes. In Jimmy and I's home community, there's a pizza place called Magic Pizza, and we love Magic Pizza. I'll probably have some when I go home in the summer. Anyways, yeah, we love food. But usually if I eat out, I feel like now that I like home community, there's probably so many Magic Pizzas. Yeah, my home community. You can look me up, you can find me. I don't live there anymore. What was I gonna say? I feel like once you start meal prepping and once you start spending less on like eating out, it makes you want to like eat at good places when you do eat out. It's like, if I'm gonna go to a restaurant or order food, like, I might as well get my money's worth and get something actually good instead of just, like, getting McDonald's or something, you know? Like, I feel like it's made me less inclined. And also, to be honest, a lot of the time if I eat out now, it's when I, like, if I go out for lunch with, like, my coworkers and stuff. And then if we go to those kind of places, we actually, like, sit down and eat. So that's never fast food either, really. Like, nobody has ever been like, oh, guys, like, in the office, no one's like, let's go out for lunch, let's go to McDonald's. That does not happen. It would never happen. And I'm kind of glad it wouldn't happen. A bunch of Taco Time's menu has beef, chicken, or pinto bean option. Ugh, beans. I love beans. That would totally happen at my job. At the library? That job? I guess that's your only job maybe right now. My office has something on the calendar for McHappy Day. Oh, that's fun. That's cute. Oh, no, at co-op. Okay, not the library. Not since uni have people said, let's go to McDonald's. For real, honestly. On my, okay, this reminds me of a story time, and then I should get back to playing Kirby. On, like, my second or third week in college, when I was living in residence, I was working until 11, and I got invited to a party after work. So I was like, okay, well, I can't show up until after 11 because I'm working. And they were like, that's fine. Like, just come over. I was like, okay. So I went and I got there and everybody was, had indulged in some alcohol. And I did not because I was working, obviously. And so I showed up and everybody was drunk and I was just like, hey guys. And they all started talking about how they wanted McDonald's. And everybody was drunk, so nobody could go to McDonald's. But then somebody literally was like, Laura, I did not know this man was literally like, Laura, take my car and go to McDonald's. I was like, are you sure? Like, you don't know me. And he was like, yes, like everybody wants McDonald's. I was like, okay. So this guy just gave me his car keys and let me take his car to McDonald's. And no, it was too far to walk. It wasn't that close. It wasn't that close. And with that amount of drunk people, oh my god, I would not have wanted to babysit all of them walking to McDonald's and have been the only sober person in that situation. Anyways, I was like, sure. And then I freaking rolled through the drive-thru. I had like 4 people in the car with me. We go through the drive-thru. I put everybody's food on my card because I was driving and it was just easier. But everybody paid me back, to be fair. It wasn't like, the story does not end with me being like, and I paid for this much food and no one paid me back. Like, everybody paid me back. Everybody was responsible. But it was literally almost like $200 worth of food at fucking McDonald's. Do you know how much food you have to get about $200 at McDonald's? It was a lot. Anyway, leash them up. Yeah, I should have just leashed them all up. We could have all walked down. Anyways, nothing like a stranger giving you their car keys, for real. I was like, are you literally sure about this? Free car. I should have just taken it, yeah. I think I saw someone we know at the record store today. Someone we know, Jimmy. That's never good. Must have been someone from school. What's the most hash browns anyone has ever ordered from McDonald's at one time? I don't know. I wish my sister was here. I wish she was in chat. My sister worked at McDonald's for like all of high school. And she probably has some stories of like some crazy orders. I did 20 once and they did not seem happy. 20 hash browns though? Like, I feel like hash browns are not that crazy. I could see them being mad if you ordered like 20 burgers. I mean, any large order at a fast food place is not pleasant for the workers, I'm sure. But like, it's hash browns. They must have lots. Yeah, my sister has definitely told me some crazy McDonald's order stories. I can't remember any right now. If she was here, she would tell us. Maybe we can summon her if we just keep talking about McDonald's. Yes, it was. You said party and I thought of cast party and now here we are. Message me and tell me who it was. Send me a message on Discord. When I was in high school back in the late 90s, you could get 20 cheeseburgers for $20. What? Inflation could never. The economy could never. I was once doing a thing and ordered 55 burgers. Did you also order 55 tacos, 55 french fries, 55 chicken nuggets? I don't know what else is in that thing. Yes, wow. How could you, Matt? Good ref, thank you. Thanks, Joe. I didn't know if anyone would pick up on it. Picture 5 high schools showing up each with $20. Yeah, that's crazy. They would have hated you guys. Anyways, wow, this was fun. I literally don't remember how we got on this conversation. Wait, all of this started? I remember. It all started because we were talking about, like, linguistics and things that Canadians say because of that one thing I said after the raid. And then we started talking about Tim Hortons because we were talking about Canada. And now here we are, all this time later. This stream has been, like, hour and 10 minutes of yapping and 20 minutes of playing Kirby. Thought you beat a boss fast, and we're like, speaking of fast food, I never beat a boss fast. That's one thing about me. It's always slow. This is the whole thing. 55 burgers, 55 fries, 55 tacos, 55 pies, 55 cokes, 100 tater tots, 100 pizzas, 100 tenders, 100 meatballs, 100 coffees, 55 wings. We need to show everybody this. Have you guys seen this? 55 pancakes, 55 pastas, 55 peppers. Hold on. Wait. Oh, no, it's gonna be difficult to show it. I have to switch back. Is it worth it? Matt, can you get me a link? I have to switch back to this thing. We have to show it for everybody that doesn't know. It's too iconic. Hold on. I bet I can find it too. This is some great Kirby gameplay. Thank you. I'm just gonna search 55 burgers. It must come up. Okay, I found it. Get the whole thing though. Yeah, I found it. Hold on.
All right, so
Ah! It was loud. Okay, everybody. If you don't know what we're talking about, this is it. This is it. It's great. You're gonna love it.
all right, so here's your small fries and your small drink.
Thank you.
I don't think I have seen that commercial.
You know, I'd like to pay for the guy's meal behind me, too.
I forgot this is
You know,
the
just pay it forward.
context.
Oh, wow, that's really nice of you.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe it'll catch on.
All right, well, you have a great day, sir.
Maybe it'll catch on.
Stop! 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 Please let me go!
I'm doing something!
I'm doing something!
Hi, can I take your order?
55 burgers, 55 fries, 55 tacos, 55 pies, 55 cokes, 100 tater tots, 100 pizzas, 100 tenders, 100 meatballs, 100 coffees, 55 wings, 55 shakes, 55 pancakes, 55 pasta, 55 peppers, and 155 taters.
Okay, that'll be $680.
Okay.
Not $680.
Shit, 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 shit. Shit, 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 shit. Hey!
Hey, come on, what the hell's going on up there?
You have to! The guy did it for you! You're the guy! Oh, just do it, you're rich! What?
What the hell's going on up there?
This guy's trying to start a pay-it-forward chain.
55 burgers.
Ah,
55 fries,
shit!
55
Look what you did, you rich little fuck!
Me.
Come on!
Not driving over the curb.
Oh, no, oh, no! God, you just pull that shit on me?
Oh,
Fine. You win.
so good.
That's fine. I just wanted to do something good this morning before alcohol class. But you won.
I've never
That's
seen
the
it
last
this far.
time I try to do something
so
good
good.
ever again.
Maybe you did have some good intentions. Maybe I did jump.
Oh! I can just run!
There you go. So now, if you didn't know, you know. Now you know what we're referencing. Back to Kirby Cinema History. Okay, I should actually start playing again. Okay. Let's do it. Anyways, everybody, you can feel free to continue your conversation about fast food. I will still contribute. What was that? It's so good. It's just a little bit. That's the voice actor for Kirby. Yeah. Kirby's boring. Bye. See ya. Sorry. Oh god. I don't know if I want... Ugh, I don't want this. I wanted to keep the fire, but I think I had to trigger the thing. Meta Knight. Anyway, sorry if you find Kirby boring. I can still talk while I play. I don't like him. I actually love how he looks. I just am not a fan of fighting him. What am I getting hit by? Ah! I lied. I actually can't read chat and play at the same time. Sorry, everybody. What is that? What is the... Oh, it's that thing. I see. Why didn't that hit him? I'm gonna die. He just sidekicked the sword away and kept fire, but too late now. Ugh. It's okay, Kirby. I'm definitely gonna die, so we can do it next time. I kind of want to just use the stars, because he kind of drops a lot. Ow! Oh my god. Why didn't that hit him? Oh my gosh. This is really bad. Give me the time one. We just read chat instead of playing. Maybe I should. Maybe that's my destiny. No, we have to finish this. I promise. It literally did hit him. Oh, I didn't see anything. Oh. Yeah, okay, we're done. Bye, Jimmy. Oh, wait, bye, Jimmy. Are you actually leaving? Goodbye. Sorry, I missed that. We're paying... Oh my god, we need to stop dying. I'm paying 1,600 now for every attempt. It's been going up every time. I definitely noticed that, but why is it? Is it doubling every time? Is that what it is? It must be. This is rough. Okay, I'm gonna... How do I slide kick the sword? Oh, I remember. I'm keeping the bombs. Like this? Ah. Karma for cheating? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kind of went a while without taking a hit. That's rare for me. What happens if I run out of stars? Out of like the coins? Good question. I don't know. Game over? Or I have to start this over, I guess. Whoa, 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 whoa! Why is he allowed to do that? That was scripted. I couldn't fight back. Okay, ow. Stop, stop, stop. Leave me alone. I know, I actually do need them, so I cannot run out. Scripted, this isn't real? Well, you know. Kirby himself is not real. He's real to me. Kirby, that's a really interesting question. I'm actually not sure. Let's hope that that doesn't happen. Although, if I could stream the Heat Death of the Universe, that would be good content. I'm about to die. I'm already dead! He's already dead! Leave him alone. Oh my god, like I'm paying $2,000. Dollars. What are we doing? Okay, yeah, give me the ice. This is what we need. Price is going up. I know! It's awful. True, Joe. So true. Ow! You literally suck! Let me freeze him! Let me freeze him! I don't know how good this is. He just runs away! He teleports.
Hello.
Thank you for the follow. Is it, what do you prefer as your name? Seijin? Seijin? Please inform. Dinger. Okay, that works. This is too hard! I give up. Why is he allowed to do this? Oh, okay. I think it taps out at 2,000. I don't think it's gonna get any higher than that. Anyway, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Give me... I don't know what's good in this case. Nothing. Maybe the sword is best. No, but I sucked with the sword. Okay, too late. I got it now. And like, the stars aren't even good against him because he just teleports. He learned that move in Star Allies. If you don't like it, hop to a time machine to 2018. Okay, good to know. Why did I have a big sword? Why is my sword so big? I don't know what I just did, but I'm excited about it. What did I do? My sword became, like, huge. Matt, I don't want to restart. Oh, it's because I fully charged it. Oh. I should have been doing that the whole time. I didn't even know. Don't read chat. Okay, sorry. I won't. Guys, I've been told that I can't read chat. Oh no, I don't remember what to do about this. Oh. Oh no. I was trying to charge my sword. Oh, we're done. I think we need to do that again and fully charge the sword again, even though I don't know how the heck you're supposed to fully charge it when he's attacking you like every 2 seconds. Hold on, I need to practice with this thing. Okay, I see. I actually have considered not dying, but I'm not really very good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, that was good. I don't know what I just did. It told me to start spamming B, so I did it. Where is he? Oh, no. Come here, guy. Oh no, why is he allowed to do this? I don't understand. I don't know what it is that like makes that happen. I'm so confused. It just happens out of nowhere. Come on, we're almost there. Yes! Woo! But I have more. That's the problem. There's 4 more battles. Ugh. Oh yeah, give me this thing. First try, easy. If you attack him while he charges you to do the upward slash, that's what happens. Oh. I see. Okay, who is this? I don't remember. It's... Oh, it's the guy that becomes a dog. Come on, let me get him. Oh, dang it. Okay, now we have to do stars the rest of the way, but we're almost done. Shoot, 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 shoot. We don't have that much health. No, I missed him. That would have been enough to kill him, I bet. No, why do they go away? Oh my gosh, this sucks. This literally sucks so much. This literally sucks. Where is he? I can't see anything. No! He always leaves! Jumping should be illegal. Oh my god. Like, I can't even react. Come on. Oh, please. We both have, like, 1 health. Give me this. Oh, this is not good. Oh, but no, wait, his health filled up. I didn't even notice. Right, because now he's a dog. Yeah, whatever. There was no way. Oh, this is so bad. I hate it here. Do you think an IRL Kirby would be squishy? Yes, I do. I definitely think he's squishy. This is not good. Jumping should be illegal. What do you expect people to do on trampolines? Nothing. I expect them to sit. Ugh, I don't like either of these power-ups at all. Maybe I'll try this one. I know, that's so bad, Spicy. I actually need the coins for something after this. We're tornadoing against each other. Go away, bro. I don't want to try from the start. I don't want to do everything I did already. Why do they make you do all this stuff? Like, I already did it once. Just torture. I don't think this ability is good. I'm going stars. Ugh. I suppose, Kirby. I don't know how to stay alive for this end bit. When he's just running around, like... Oh crap. Oh my gosh! Like, what am I supposed to do? Oh my gosh. Thank you, Kirby Cart. I'll keep that in mind. I'm dead here. There's no way. No, not the besties. Not this. If I can just avoid for long enough. Oh my god. Like, what? What am I supposed to do? Fuck, I'm in the lava. Oh my god, this is terrible. Literally Kirby Cart. Stop! I'm locking in. hate this part. I hate this part. I hate this part. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Give me a power-up that's good. I don't know what's good. Nothing. That's not good. This is not good. Thank you, Spicy. Lock in harder. I'm trying! I'm not good at games! I didn't start streaming because I'm, like, good at playing games. Ooh, the stars are on me. Wait, this might be good, actually. I didn't realize that was, like, how that worked. Like, I can pick up the stars as I'm going around. Oh my gosh. I need to stop taking so much damage in this first part. I need to stop taking damage, period, but that's not gonna work. What do you mean I can't go in that lava? I'm literally, my spikes, I'm not even touching the lava. This is terrible. I have no health again. Okay, so I can't let him hit me like that. Ugh. Like, when am I supposed to hit him? I'm confused. Ow! Why can't I get over those? I'm so confused what I can, like, get hit by and what I can't. Frick, frick. Like, when am I supposed to attack him? There, I guess. But I couldn't because he was in the dumb lava. Oh, I can get all his guys. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. What? What? Literally what? Where is Kirby? I can't even see him! The timer in the top is how long I've been freaking doing this, Spicy. But there's been like 11 rounds or something stupid. So it's not just this, how long I've been doing this. It's how long I've been doing the entire thing. But like, I don't care about the timer. Wait, but technically, am I not supposed to beat it by like a certain amount of time or something? Does that count as the 100%? It better not, because I'm not 100%ing in that case. Oh, that is enough to make me give up. What is this? Bro, that is so fucked up. There's no time limit. No, but Matt, like, there's like a 1-star, 2-star, 3-star situation, I thought. I don't care. I literally don't care. I just want it to be over. Give me, yes, give me the gun. This is what I've been asking for. There's no time limit. Okay, well, that's good. This might be our only chance. That's just your best times. Oh, okay. We have to lock in while we have the ranger gun. This might be the only way I can do it. The important thing is you're having a great time. Does it seem like that? Good. I'm just kidding. I'm having a good time. I just don't enjoy... This type of thing is not my thing in a game, but it's okay. I'll do it for the grind of getting 100%. I don't enjoy these big boss fights. Especially because I've already done all of these. That's the thing. It's like I already did these once. Now I'm just doing it again for like the extra thing. I know, I need to lock in. My coins are bad. The ranger is what we needed though. Do you see how easy this is already? I don't want to jinx it, but... Oh my gosh, I'm slipping in the lava. Not this! Like, oh my god. We gotta get those big shots in. Oh my god, stop! Stop! No! Please! Go away, go away, go away! Oh my god, that is not fair! Why is he allowed to bring friends and I'm not? No! Why did the shot go the other way? I'm gonna lose it! I'm gonna lose my mind! Please! Please let that kill him! Oh! Oh! I didn't know I was allowed to kill him over there. I thought I was done in. Oh my god, I only have 11,000 coins left. That is not good. Who else? Oh. How many did that give me? Did that just give me coins? I didn't even see my coins go up. I don't even know if it gave me that many. I don't think it gave me a lot. Who is this? Not Leongar. Oh my god, I cannot be bothered with these guys. Like, there's still 3 more rounds. I don't think we can go back now. Maybe 100 coins? After I've spent so many? Like, what is this? Okay, pray for me. A spicy? I don't know. That's a great question. Just because they want to make me do dumb stuff for the sake of doing dumb stuff. So I can say I've 100%ed the game. That's literally why. Stop! Like, you will never catch me justifying this. I'm sorry. Sorry to game designers everywhere. I forget what this is. Oh, no! I jumped! What is wrong with you? I jumped! I hate this guy! And I'm not sorry for saying it. He has more, doesn't he? Oh, he has the stupid... Ah, I hate this thing! I literally did this like last week. Already. Oh my god. I'm about to lose it. You guys are making me lose my marbles! That's how I feel right now. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. What? I didn't know! I hate it here. Ah! I don't like this. Like, I literally did this so recently. It's not even funny. Okay, we're locking it. I'm gonna run out of money. We need the money for the end. What happens if I get to the end and I have no money? I give up, honestly. Who needs collectibles? If I run out of money, I'll have to start over. Oh, I wasn't even thinking about that, Sacred. I wasn't even talking about that. Because I need to get the collectibles after. I'm assuming, I'm just saying, what if I run out of money, like, before I, like, once I finish it? But yeah, running out of money before I finish it would also be a problem, because I need to finish it. Bad scenarios all around, honestly. Terrible outcomes, no matter what. Oh, the fishing, of course. Yeah, we can fish. Okay, smart. Come on. Okay, good. Okay, we have almost full health for this next part. Won't this all be worth it for the special figure though? No, it literally won't. The only reason I'm doing it, I didn't even know there was a special figure. Literally the only reason I'm doing it is so that I can say that I 100%. There's always something that makes me miserable when I'm trying to 100% a game. Mario Wonder Badge Challenge, Captain Toad Maze, this thing. But I don't like the repetitive boss fights. Like, I would rather do like the platformy challenges and stuff than this. Oh my god. Ugh, jeez. Like, this is not for me. What was that? Oh. Oh yeah, it's her. She's gonna do her thing now. Oh! Oh my god, I couldn't even react. Oh, not this! No! She should not be allowed to do that. I'm so serious. No! Get away from me! You psycho! No! There's a million attacks happening at once! We've tried, well, we haven't tried that many against him, to be fair, Sacred. I don't remember what I beat him with when I actually beat him, like, in the game. Like, what am I supposed to do? Sorry, I'm fucking losing it. I'm crashing out. Fuck off, bro. You suck. But I haven't tried anything else right now, I don't think. Oh my god! Ah! Sorry. Devin is definitely sleeping and I'm definitely screaming, but... Stop! Like, you're literally gonna make me go insane! How is this fair? Crash out of the century incoming! Like, what are you supposed to do? Who is this made for? I wanna know. Who is the target audience for this? Is it you? Is it any of you? Please let me know. Oh my god. This should not be hilarious, but it's so relatable. I hate it. Oh, what are they giving me now? More coins. Yeah, true. The target audience, listen, if this is you, I mean nothing but respect. The target audience is people who play stuff like fucking Elden Ring, and that is not for me. I have not played it for a reason. Because I know I would hate it. Fairy, yes, this is my first try at the boss rush. I have not quit and restarted, no. I've just been in it this whole time. Yeah, guys, do we want Ice here? Wait, it's him again? We just fought him! Why is it him again? Ah! What the heck? Target audience is the Friends of Forgo Leon Club, not me. What is better against this Meta Knight? Ice or the gun? What is better? Kirby experts, please weigh in. Kirby Cart, Sacred Fairy, I'm looking to you. Anybody else that has an opinion? What did I beat him with before? Just the other minute when I did it. Gun. Spicy says gun. I do feel like the gun is good. I would go with gun, personally. I mean, I'm gonna die anyway. Like, I have no health, so this is a throwaway run. This first one. Might be good to get some non-big gunshots off at times too. Yeah, you're probably right, Matt. I'm probably kind of hurting myself by doing that. I just want to know, why do we have to fight him again? We already did. How dare you disrespect the Fluttering Dream Eater with the mere title of Meta Knight? I'm sorry! Wait, oh, so is this a different one? Let's just go for it. I'm gonna die first round. Like, it's a guaranteed 2k coin loss right now. Oh, it's more Faux Knight, that's right. I don't know anything. Oh my gosh, he is kind of beautiful, you have to admit. my god, I'm gonna scream at him in a sec, but like, he is beautiful. Oh no, not you. Oh, do I even shoot her? I don't think so. She's just here to be annoying, not even fight. I hate when they teleport. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh my gosh. That's not good. Yeah, I think those are kind of a waste. The super big shots. They're good, but they're hard to get. Oh my god. Why are you allowed to do this? Like, this is against the rules. I'm so mad. Like, how is it fair when one person can teleport and the other cannot? I just want to know. You meant just fought him as in fought Phantom Meta Knight earlier in the boss rush. No, 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 no. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be the same guy twice. Cause I'm dumb. Oh my god. I think we have to stick with gun and not ice. Okay, I'm gonna try to lock in here. I knew I was gonna die that time anyway because I didn't have the help. So, can someone just tell me? Oh, I'm so not good at dodging fairy. Like, I'm so bad at it. I cannot. My brain can't handle it. My life would probably be better if I could dodge, but I suck at it. I think there's one after this, Spicy, or two after this. Can someone just tell me, does he have like a fake out? Like, once I drain his health, is he gone, or does he come back? This guy. Oh, fuck off. Oh, that's not good. No. This guy doesn't have a second health bar. Thank goodness for that. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got fucking stuck. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Get me away from here. I got stuck in the thing. And it made the world go all wonky. Move, Kirby, move! Move, Kirby, move! Oh no. I just don't know how. I don't know the sequence of attacks. I'm not good at this. No, I have not found Kirby's teleport button. Okay, locking in. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Oh, he has two swords. Of course he does. Oh my god. That took away like all of my health. Like, what is that? You suck. Oh my god. This doesn't seem fair, that's all I'm saying. Oh, not again. Press Alt. Oh my god, I cannot read right now. No chat. No reading chat while I'm trying to do something. That's the rule. I can't see anything! My head is literally sideways. Oh my god. Oh, go away. Can we switch back to normal? Thank you. I was about to lose it. Go away, you freaking phantoms! Like, why is this fair? Where is he? Oh my god, over there. Panic! Go, 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 go! No, not this! Ah! Oh. Oh my god, he's right next to me. He's right next to me! So scary. Stop us disappearing! I'm trying to shoot you! Like, what is this? Oh my god, oh my god. None of these bosses care, oh my god, about the integrity of a fair fight. They're all just like, yeah, fuck Kirby, actually. We can't lose now. No, 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 no. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die IRL. I hate this sideways shit. No, no, no. I hate it here. Never mind, you don't got it. Thanks, Spicy. We fought for so long. I have no money. Oh, this is awful. Don't die, IRL. That's bad for viewership. You're right. You're right. Thanks, Spicy. That's really nice of you. Like, are the stars gonna be better? The problem with the stars is that they're too hard to aim, and then like once you eat it, once you shoot it, it's gone. Like, I think the stars do more damage than the gun, but like, it's too difficult. I can't execute it well enough. It would be a recipe for disaster. Oh my god! Literally every time he hits me, a small piece of my soul dies. I just have to be honest about how I'm feeling. Like, stop! I don't have the patience for this. 44 minutes is how long I've been doing that. Oh my god. Like, get over it. I don't want to do this anymore. Like, when I don't have the patience, then I play sloppier, and then I'm gonna die quicker. But, like, I just don't have it in me. Like, I don't want to do it. Like, stop! What I need to do is not just get super frustrated and give up. Like, I need to stay locked in. You're right, I don't have to. I could actually, like, the crazy thing is, we have free will. Like, I could literally just put this down and never play it again. I could give up. Guys, I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, don't do this, don't do this! Oh my god. Do not do this! No! It's easy for you to say not to give up. You're not doing it. If you were me, you would want to give up too. I guarantee. Unless you're an Elden Ring person. In which case, then maybe not. I don't know. Oh my gosh! There's no way I make it out of this. Like, hold on. I kind of have an idea. I'm about to die anyway, so if it's wrong, it'll make no difference. Oh my god, wait. Hold on. I'm gonna dodge this first. Stay with me here. Oh, this was a bad idea. This was a terrible idea. Whatever. We're committing. Why do the stars disappear so fast? It's so hard to pick them up. They literally disappear immediately. Oh my god, like... Not this. Not this! Oh my god. I can't see anything. Why did I drop my gun? That was a terrible idea. Why did you guys let me do that? I didn't consult anyone. Blame chat. Whatever. Kirby runs slower than he can fly through the air. So hovering on the shockwave attacks, which reach the air, then just makes you not move fast enough to avoid them. Yeah. I just get stuck. I know that he hovers really slow. I just get stuck. Like, my brain gets stuck. I don't have the ability to think that fast. And then sometimes I'm just, like, panic spamming buttons, so then he hovers when I don't even mean to. We maybe hold this cash. Okay, but tell me this. If I press start over, okay, we know what will happen. If I say give up, that means, like, that's it, right? Like, I have to do the entire thing again. From the beginning. And fight it. I would literally... that sounds awful. Buy items to cheese it. Yeah, but, like... I can buy one item, which is gonna get me through one thing. And there's like a million. Like, I don't know if it's worth it. Upgrades and stuff. What upgrades? Do I just not understand this game? To weapons. You could switch out to Spring Breeze mode too if you quit out. Oh, that sounds great. Double health. I just feel like it's not worth it. Like, I'm gonna lose... If I get double health, I'm gonna lose it in one round. I'll lose it on the first round. And it won't even matter by the time I get to, like, all of this. You only have one restart after this. I think the answer is to quit. I think, truly, the answer is to quit. Yes, I do. I'm not going to be able to do it. Follow your heart, in my opinion. Oh no, that's not what we do, unfortunately. Joe, I've said this every time that I do something like this, and I don't quit. I always say I want to quit, but this is the most I've ever wanted to quit. We can make it easier next time. Never play this game again and be left satisfied with your 92% or whatever. You're playing on hard mode at the moment. Follow your cringe. Who is the next battle? Who's after this? There's 2 more battles? Who is after this? A harder version of Fecto Elphalith. Of course it fucking is. Of course it is! Play a different Kirby game. Nothing seems like a good option. Quitting doesn't seem like a good option. Starting over doesn't seem like a good option. Giving up doesn't seem like a good option. Continuing doesn't seem like a good option. Like, what do we do? How many coins did I start with? Like, 30,000 or something. A lot. Who is after this? 25k. That's how many I started with. I've wasted them all. Hi, Mackie. I don't know. This is awful. I'm not built for this kind of thing. Fuck it, keep going. Like, I think we should. I think we can get... I think we can get a bunch of coins from fishing. Like, what if this is the... What if this actually is the run and we quit now? Like, if we're gonna just back out... If we're... Okay, like, what I'm saying... You can try. If we're gonna end up just going out and buying stuff and like whatever. I can just fish and then do it. I don't think I'm finishing this tonight. It's also almost 10. You guys, I said, haha, finishing Kirby tonight. I said it last week, didn't happen. Said it this week, it's not gonna happen. We've been doing this for 48 minutes. If I start over now, it's gonna be at least another 48 minutes. Even if you could, I think it'd be good to grind more coins anyway, so if you don't mind losing 4,000 extra coins for 2 more retries, then go for it. It's not gonna do anything. I'm doing okay, Mackie. We're having a frustrating, boss fighting experience. Maybe after this I stop. No, I don't even have my gun! I don't even have my gun! No! What the heck? Thank you, Spicy, for the bit also. My bad. Morpho Sword heals from the ground attacks. This thing, it heals. Wait, huh? The dodge also makes you invincible regardless if you time it. But how do you dodge? Is it this? Wait a minute! Wait! Wait, you were serious? Kirby Cart, you were serious. I actually can- I can teleport? I thought you were kidding. What are we doing? I don't know how to play this game. I do not know how to play this game. Like, at all. Hold guard and input any direction. Like that. Okay. Oh. Morpho Knight's tornado attacks ignore the dodge invincibility. I can't remember all of this. Also, I was joking. I mean, he kind of is teleporting, though. I'm not gonna remember all of this. So wait, what do you mean I heal from the ground attacks? What are ground attack? What is considered a ground attack? I told you to teleport with the capture button. Oh. Oh, I didn't see that. I just saw you saying something. I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe we just have to go for it. This is a mess. Spicy, I haven't been using the dodge function. The regular slashes and the spin slash. So like this thing, that thing. Crap. That's a bad start. Oh, you're right! What the heck? Why didn't I know this before? I saw my health go up for a sec. But I don't know why. I can't do it again. I don't know what caused it. I'm confused. What else is new? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Oh my god, why do you do that? Oh, of course. I did just see a little bit of healing. I don't know how this works though. I don't get it. No! I still don't understand this healing thing, but I'm doing my best. Where am I? Oh, I'm here. Why did I disappear? Frick. Where am I going? Only heals if you hit the enemy and don't get hit. Oh god, okay, so it's too complicated for me. But good to know anyway. No, 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 we're almost there. Okay. Guys, we have literally one attempt to get through all the rest of this. Give me 1,000,000 coins right now from that chest. Please. Oh my gosh. That probably gave me like 2. Do you want, like, tips on the final enemy or nah? Well, probably yes, but also I don't know if I'll be able to take the tips. Like, I don't think I'm good enough to follow the tips, but, like, you can give them. Oh, this is the final one. I think we have to lock in, because I don't think I can do this again. I think this has to be it. I think we have to lock in here. When it splits into 5 to heal, you have to attack the real one. Oh, yeah. I remember this. I remember this from fighting her. Should I keep this attack, do you think? Or should I take the gun? I do like to main the gun. But I don't know if it's good against this person. Gun kind of slow. The sword was working okay for me that time, wasn't it? But I don't know if that's just because I was fighting against him. I also only have half health right now. Okay. I don't remember her attacks or anything. I don't remember anything. But the shadow thing is good to remember. We literally have like 1 attempt to fail it, and then we have to do it on the next one. I still maintain that you give up for the memes. Well, if I don't do it this time, I'm giving up for tonight, because it's going to be too late for me to attempt it again. So if I don't do it right now, what we're going to do is we're going to fish a bunch and prepare for next time, whenever that is. Because it's not even going to be next week, because I'm not streaming next week. Oh, please just let me finish it right now. I don't want to do this again. Please. Give the treasure row to go to. Okay, well, I'll do that. But, oh, okay. Everybody say a prayer. I don't want to do it. Does she and she has a fake out health, right? She has a second health bar. How do our brains do this to us? I don't know. I don't feel good. I don't feel good about this. Second health bar, of course there is. Already off to a bad start. Oh my god! Like, you give me no time to jump. How do I do this? I hate it here. Oh my god, I don't know what she's doing literally at any time. Okay, I kind of remember that. Oh my god, what the heck? Literally, what are you doing? Crap, where is my thing? Oh, got it. I don't know if I got this. When does she split? I don't remember. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh, here we go. I don't know. Can I heal against her, or is that only a thing when I'm fighting the Morpho guy? Wait, no, I am healing, I think, a little bit. Oh, okay, okay. Good to know. Ow! No! I still don't understand how the healing thing works. Please, I need to understand the meta. I don't get it. I actually need it to survive. And I don't understand it at all! Oh my gosh! Hit them. Okay, I see. Hit them and don't get hit by hitting them. Oh my gosh! Like, you do a million different things. Ow! Sorry, I'm mad. I'm pissed. Like, what is this? How is that fair? I literally hate you, respectfully. Like, I've actually never hated anyone more in my life. Her, not any of you. Ow, 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 ow! I'm gonna start saying ow every time I get hit. Oh. Wow, I healed a tiny bit. Go me. Wait, is this where she does the thing? Oh no. I don't know what's coming. Wait, huh? Oh jeez, this is awful! Okay, wait. Real one has a shadow. Which one has a shadow? I can't see! Oh, and it's this one. Okay, got it. It's the one where the thing goes to. Okay, I couldn't... Oh my god, I couldn't get anything going. Oh my god. Oh, this is so scary. What am I doing here? I didn't know it. Oh, I see. It's coming from the side things. Oh, okay. I understand. I was so confused. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. I don't have my sword. Oh my god, I don't have my sword. I have no health left. Unless we can somehow heal a lot, but I don't think it's happening. Okay, I understand how this works now. Can someone tell me what just hit me? Because I saw nothing. Like, can someone actually just explain what happened? Because I genuinely saw nothing. What the heck? Like, I was gonna die anyway. Let's not kid ourselves, but like, what was that? Literally, what was that? What hit me? I don't understand. I'm about to lose it. I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. I think it was nothing. I think the game just said, we've had enough of you. Kirby, the way I identified the real one is always that it's the one that the circle closes in on. That's how I was identifying it before. Hitbox spawns a few frames before the actual laser visual. That is dumb. I know. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't want to jinx anything, but I did get decently far. And I only had half my health. So it might be okay. If it's not, so help me. I don't know if I can do this again. Could I kill her all in one shot with this? It's impossible, right? Like, if I time it perfectly with that, is that possible? It's probably not. Time Crash does barely any damage, dang it. For the glowing things they throw at you when they're in the air, you can avoid them by hovering for the entire attack. For the glowing things they throw at me. Okay, hopefully I can remember what that is. None of us knew that spring 25 I can't read! None of us knew that spring 2025 would become the year of the Kirby boss rush and what it would all lead to. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if I remember what the glowing things are, but hover. Okay, glowing things hover in the air. I think. Okay. This is literally our last chance. Like, after this, we can't do it again. So, if we don't do it right now, I'm coming back in 2 weeks, is what that means. So, we all better cross our fingers, say our prayers, and just lock in, I guess. I'm not gonna read chat, so sorry if you get offended. Hopefully I don't miss any important tips. I don't like this. Terrible start. Terrible start! How do you know when she's gonna stop? I don't understand. Oh, these glowing things? Oh! These glowing things, I think, is what you meant. Makes sense, I guess. Oh my gosh! I didn't know what that was. Okay, it's this thing. I don't remember what these are. Oh yeah, it's this, okay. Oh, not this. Oh, I dodged too early. Oh, why does she do it twice sometimes and 3 times sometimes? That's frustrating. I don't understand. Like, sometimes she does those swipes twice, and then sometimes she does 3. I don't know how you are supposed to know. I don't remember what this is. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, no! What are you supposed to do? Like, do you just keep running? I don't get it. I was running, I was avoiding it for so long. How do you avoid the laser? Hey Google, how do you avoid the laser? Oh, jump, 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 jump. Slow and steady wins the race. Might be good to spam dodge. Okay. I'm not good at dodging, but I could try. Oh, not this! Not this! I had no time to react! She's just staring at me. Oh crap, I did that wrong. Oh, what? I dodged. Oh, I lost my sword. Where's my sword? I ran straight into the crab trying to get my sword back. No, I can't react! I literally can't react! It goes so fast! I don't get it. The moment I'm able to, like, think, like, she's already coming. Like, I know what the attack is. It's just hard to do it that quickly. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. No, it's the fucking laser. I don't get it! I don't get it! I don't understand this stupid thing! Like, she's literally taken, like, half of my health that she's taken it on that fucking laser thing. Like, I don't get it. I don't know about this. And I don't remember what she's doing at all. Oh, Shadow one is over here. Luckily, it was in my view this time. Good healing opportunity. Crap. My hands are sweating! Oh no, what is this? Oh no, it's this stupid thing. Where is she? I can't see! I don't like this angle. Oh no. Oh, like, oh my god! I hate that thing so much! The first one I always get hit! I'm never gonna stop screaming about it! Ah! Oh no, what is this? What is this? You should not be allowed to do anything new! This late in the game! This late in the game! Stop! Oh my god! This should be illegal! Oh my god! Can I just hover that whole time? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, fuck off! Like, why do you do it for a different number each time? Oh. Oh my god! I'm focusing on one thing and then she hits me with the other thing! I hate you! Literally so much! You're the worst! Oh my god! I'm gonna have nightmares! Why'd she let me hit her so much? That was weird. Oh fuck. I hate this part. No! Okay, it was okay. Let her do it like a million times. No, 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 no! No! Fuck off! I hate this dumb laser thing! How long is it gonna go for? You're joking! Oh my god, okay. Oh, that was awful. That was so awful. Oh, I couldn't hover anymore. No. I hate when she goes up there. What are you doing? Oh. Not this. Not this! Not this! Not this! Not this! Ah! No, no, no! No! Oh my god, I hate you so much! What is this now? Oh, it's this thing again. Get me to her! No! Fuck off! I was trying to go over! I shouldn't have done that. No, I'm dying! I'm dying! I'm dying! I think we're done. I don't know. I don't have faith. I'm not a believer! Oh my god, why would I jump instead of hitting her? I'm gonna cry. I'm so dumb. She stood there for so long. I should have kept going. No, not this part. I hope I can just hover the whole time. Ugh. Please just give me more coins. Please, I want to do it again. I don't want to do it again. Why do they make games like this? I don't get it. Why do they do this? I don't get it. I was doing so well. Those fucking lasers. If she didn't hit me with those, I would still be alive. Like, I don't get it. You did great, though. I wish that made me feel better. Like, I know I did great. I know I did good. I lived for so long, and I was being so patient, and I was trying to, like, take my time with it, and I actually got so far, but, like, that doesn't make me feel better when I have to do literally all of that again. Like, literally all of the ones that I was struggling with so bad. It's not like I just have to fight her again. I have to do all of the stupid stuff from the beginning. I have to do all of the bad ones again. I have to do that again, and I didn't even get it. Like, ugh, that is awful. That's horrible. And it's a different kind of horrible because I can't even just do it again. Like, I can't just, like, go and do it again. I have to farm a bunch of coins. Like, at least the other, like, really hard levels. Oh my god, I have beef. Thank you, Kirby. I need some water. Like, I can't help but compare this to the other, like, Nintendo platformers that I've 100%ed. And, like, yeah, the Mario Wonder Badge challenge was really hard, and it was really frustrating. And, like, yeah, the Captain Toad maze was really hard, and it was really frustrating. And, you know, oh my god, the Mario Galaxy 2, like, final thing, oh, I was so mad. But, like, this is something else. Like, it's not even, like, particularly fun. To people who enjoy that kind of thing, like, absolutely. I love that for you. But, like, the big boss fights are just not for me. I don't enjoy them. Give me a million platforming challenges before that. Like, oh my god, it's so awful. And, like, if I could just go again, like, I would try this again. If I could just, like, start over right now, I would do it. But I have to go farm a bunch of coins. Like, why would they make it like this? I understand. They make it like this to be difficult. Like, that's the point. So I'm not trying to sit here and be, like, whiny about it. But, like, 12 bosses in a row sounds pretty rough. And it's more than 12 because some of them had multiple in there. Like, why did they do this? I don't understand who this is for. People who like this kind of stuff, I guess. Matt, did you really think I was finishing this tonight? Like, actually? Because that's wild if you did. Wow, you had a lot of faith in me. You had a lot of faith in me. If I'd known that's what it was gonna be, almost could have. Yeah, I guess. See, and like now I want to be like, if I had just wasted a few less tries on some of those other bosses. Even though that's like that's not useful. Like, it's not useful to sit here and be like, oh, like if only I'd had one less attempt on one of those other ones. Because like, that's not what happened. Can't drive myself crazy. Yeah, Spicy, I don't have to do it. I'm only doing it to 100% the game. And honestly, like, out of all the super difficult, like, final things I've done, this is the one I've wanted to give up genuinely the most. Like, the Mario Wonder ones and the Mario ones, I've always hated them. And I've gotten mad and, like, frustrated. But I've never actually been like, I don't want to do that. But, like, that's crazy. To take over an hour just for one attempt. Like, an attempt at the Captain Toad maze was not taking an hour. An attempt at the Mario Wonder Badge Challenge was not taking an hour. I don't know how long they took, but it was not an hour. To get through just one attempt. Like, that is crazy. Who does this? Who does this? Oh my god. In past Kirby games, you couldn't retry. Retries are a nice accessibility feature, but the fact that they let you go up to 2,000 coins per retry to decimate a player's money probably wasn't a good idea. Probably would have been better to just deny retries once it gets to 2,000. Yeah, that's crazy. I think Wonder was similar. An hour? To do each? I don't know. That seems like a lot. Or maybe it just didn't feel as frustrating because I wasn't as mad. I don't know. How long does it take to get 30k coins? Too long for me to do it tonight, unfortunately. It's already 10:25 and I have work in the morning. I would love to give it another go. Well, no, I wouldn't. That's a lie. But, like, I would if it wasn't so late. This is the price we pay for spending, like, an hour talking about books and fast food. Like, let's fish once. Oh my god, and see, even fishing, like, it's not instant. Like, you have to actually sit here and do it. I don't have the energy for this. But I do have a couple other things that I can attempt before I go. That gave me 10 coins? And fishing is supposed to be a fast way? No, it gave me 10k coins. Oh my god, that's god-awful. That is horrible. Yeah, true. The fish do get worth more when you have a streak. That's true, but that's still... Oh my gosh, guys. Someone do it for me. Let me do the fishing, and then someone else can play the boss thing for me. Oh, that's a big boy. But still only gave me 30 coins. What have we done? We've really dug ourselves into a hole. So just 1,000 fish, no big deal. I should have paid attention. That would have been a big one. I don't have it in me anymore. Honestly, I might have to come and do a stream just... Okay. Can you hire Elflin to do it? Here's what we do, guys. Next week... How the fuck did you get so many coins in the first place? Spicy, because you get coins for finishing, like, every level. And you get coins throughout playing the levels. Like, those 25,000 coins, that's built up from me playing the entire game up to this point. That's how I got so many. And I just blew through them all in one night. What I was gonna say is next week, I'm not planning on streaming because my parents are visiting me. But I did say that, like, some nights, if my parents go up and go to bed and I'm here, I will stream. Like, how about this? Next week, I won't plan any streams. I won't schedule any streams. But if I do stream, like, if I do any late night streams after my parents go to bed, I'll just come and grind fish. Like, I'll just come and fish, and that'll be the stream. And that way I can at least, like, build up a bunch of coins, hopefully, for the following week if I come back. You know? I think that'll be my plan. Because I wasn't planning on streaming anything major next week anyway, like, while my parents are here. Honestly, no. Yeah, that might be what we have to do. I'm surprised you had that many coins, because I feel like I've seen people that die less often than you have way less coins. I think I'm just pretty diligent about collecting, like, all the coins in the levels. And also, that wasn't even all of my coins, because I spent quite a few coins on buying the collectibles already. Which, oh my god, also, if I'd known this was gonna happen, I wouldn't have bought any collectibles before now. I would have saved all of my coins for this, had I known that that's what was gonna happen. And we could have still been going right now. But I didn't know. I guess that we thought that saving 25,000 would be enough. And it wasn't. Not skilled enough at the boss fights. So yeah, maybe next week I'll just do some fishing streams. Or like, me and my parents are gonna probably go like hiking and stuff. Maybe when we drive to the places, I'll just bring my Switch and do Kirby fishing in the back of the car. Spicy maybe, but I don't know if any would be like worth the amount of time it would take to play through the whole level. I'm not sure. What? I pressed it! I literally... I'm about to get mad at fishing. That's how you know it's too far. I literally pressed X. You guys have to believe me. Like, I actually did. Good night, Kirby. Thanks for being here. Hopefully 2 weeks from now, when I'm back at it again, I can actually be successful. And I can save up 1,000,000 coins. Am I supposed to do the final treasure road? Matt, if I'm doing it, you have to tell me exactly where it is. Because I don't want to go find it. There, I did it that time. Oh. There's 500. Campfire in Fire World. Okay. You should get the amount of coins that is like the weight of the fish. Imagine if I just got 10,000 coins for that fish. That would have been so good. Well, thanks everyone for being here even though I failed. Thanks for your patience with my bad boss fighting. It starts the streak over? That is terrible. That is awful. That is torture. Okay. I enjoyed it. Well, I'm glad. I didn't hate it. I'm definitely frustrated, and I have my opinions about these kind of things. And my opinion is that they are not for me. But I do enjoy a challenge, I have to admit. That's the reason why I do this stuff. Like, the reason why I commit to the 100% is because I like the challenge at the end of the day. And I know it'll feel good when I get it done. I'm a little bit disappointed that I couldn't get it done tonight. Especially because now it's gonna be 2 weeks before I finish it. At minimum. And that's assuming if I even finish it next time. 2k coins per death during the fights is way too excessive. Yeah, it really is. In my opinion. Okay. We have to do this in 4 minutes. This better be easy. Oh god. Wait. Oh. What is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know if it's gonna be easy. What am I supposed to do? They're all up there. Can I spit out this dumb thing and have the guns instead? There's definitely like a better way that you're supposed to do this, but I don't actually know how to use this thing properly. Oh, that was good. I don't know if I want to do this either. I'm probably doing it way too slow. What? Are you kidding? I'm gonna die. The time doesn't even matter. I'm literally just gonna die. Honestly, good if I do. Whatever. If I don't do this first try, I don't think I'm doing it again. Being fully honest. I'll read your message in a sec, Fairy. Bonkers. I mean, yeah, that's bonkers. I just realized his name is Bonkers because he has a hammer. I kind of didn't make that connection before. I was always thinking bonkers in my head, like just bonkers, like crazy, like bonkers. But that actually makes so much sense. I understand now. Well, that was pretty quick at least. I have to beat it before it gets down to the 2-minute mark. Oh, Frosty. Not again. Twin wild Frosties. I have trauma. Oh no, that's not good. Come on. We might be able to do it, actually. I don't want to jinx anything, but... We have 1 minute and 12 seconds for whoever this is. Twin Florina? Fuck! No! I was right! Damn it! Come on, come on, come on, come on. No messing around. I believe we can do it! Okay. Hopefully that's it. Oh. Oh, coins! Coins! Oh my god! Good news, guys! Look at these coins! Okay, it really didn't give me much in the grand scheme of things, but it's something. Like, honestly, is that a better way to farm coins than fishing? That took me 3.5 minutes, and how many coins did I get from it versus how many coins would I get from 3 minutes of fishing? But yeah, it wasn't much. Yay! I cleared every treasure road by using all of my different abilities. I've earned a special figure. Can I sell all of my collectibles and then buy them all back? Oh. Well. Is there anything else I'm supposed to do? I'm so disappointed. I'm gonna go to bed disappointed because of this. 95%. In my defense, I also got like literally 4 hours of sleep last night. I'm gonna blame that. Oh look, we've got enough coins for one more retry. Oh my gosh. Do I prefer Ranger or Morpho Knight Sword? I think it depends on the boss. I think, to be honest, if I was gonna do it again, I might actually go with the Morpho Knight Sword the whole time. Because if it heals you as you're fighting, I feel like that could potentially be useful for the earlier bosses in the thing. So that way I don't have to eat the oranges like every time in between every battle, you know? Because I think that's part of what kind of did me in early on, is like I was using retries from the start, which I shouldn't have been. Like I would say you want to at least get through the first few stages without retries at all, would be ideal. So maybe I would go with Morpho Knight Sword. Honestly, my other favorite is Ice. I like to freeze them. If you have 5 stones and I think 1,200 coins, you can power up Morpho Knight Sword to do more damage as well. Do I want to spend coins on that? It's probably a good idea if it will help. Because I just think that I didn't realize it had the health regeneration thing. But I don't have 5 rare stones. Yeah, I don't have 5 rare stones. I only have 2. Oh, they did not have the audacity. If you need fucking rare stones, try going to the Colosseum. I would rather die. Thanks, though. Oh my god. Oh, I could just run around these gardens till I find coins. Where's the Waddle Dees to give me, like, the box of money outside my house? Classic Nintendo. Right? Anyways. Sorry, Falafel. What I'm playing tomorrow is Clone Hero. I'm doing Clone Hero tomorrow. I downloaded a bunch of Mario Kart 8 charts for Clone Hero, and I'm gonna play them all. And I'm hoping to maybe have song requests on as well, so I can play some song requests. Colosseum is the only non-perishable source of rare stones, but yeah, it's surprising how tight the amount of rare stones they give you in this game is. Yeah, I've literally already used them all. Well, I guess that's it. I don't think there's anything else I can really do right now. And I should probably go get ready for bed anyways. But this was actually a very fun stream. I know I was, like, salty and complaining and mad, but, like, I had a good time. And I enjoyed all of the chats with everyone in chat and the good times. So, I had a good time. Will I play Contexto? Do you guys want to do the Contexto before I go? We could do that. We can do the Contexto. I'm just putting Kirby to bed. Good night. And I think what we do as well is next time we buy a Maxim tomato and we take it in, but we save it all the way till the end. And only use it for that battle. I think that's what we do. And I don't think, Fairy, I don't think your suggestion is a bad idea either. Of stopping once you hit a certain, like, retry amount. I feel like that's not bad. Alright. Give me context for Contexto, please. Context. You can do that with the Life Up medicine instead. The Life Up medicine. What's the Life Up medicine? Oh, like the bottle thing? Hold on. We haven't touched a few mechanics. Oh, the one that gives you double HP. Yeah. See, I don't know how to play the game. Even though I've been playing it this whole time. Why is my camera out of focus? Oh. There we go. Thanks everybody for believing in me and being here and watching all of that. I'm sorry if it was painful to watch. Let's do the Contexto. Use one before entering to have 2 health bars, and then have 1 in stock to use again inside to go from near dead straight to 2 full health bars again. Okay. I'll have to figure that out. Alright, everybody. All hands on deck. I need my music on. Hi, LJ. LJ, were you here before? I don't think so. Hi. If anybody doesn't know the Contexto... Matt! Cheese! Big! Oh my god, big! The Contexto is a game where we have to guess, like, similar words. So we're guessing a similar word to cheese. I'll try pineapple. Pineapple is also decent. Oh, okay. Joe's guessing specific types of cheeses. That's interesting. Interesting strategy. Cheddar. Maybe I'll jump on that strategy. Parmesan. 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 Depending on how you say it. Cow. Dairy. Oh, shredded. I'm gonna do shred as well. Oh. Same thing. Egg. Yeah, maybe this is like items in a grocery store. Cheddar was also quite high. Grater. Cheese grater. Nope. Sandwich. Sandwich was high. Grill, like grilled cheese. Ham. Butter. Mayo. Butter is high. Food. That's a good guess. Cheese still the highest. Cream. Dessert. Cheesecake. Nice. Melt. Cheeseburger. Or just burger, perhaps. These are all high. Restaurant. Menu. Nope. They didn't like that. Wrong wavelength. Matt, what other words are like cheese? You're the cheese expert. Cookie. Oh, cookie was high. Sugar. Oh, snack. That's good. Meal. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. Grease. Interesting. Nuts. Bread. Bread was high. How do we not have bread when we already guessed like sandwich and stuff? Cracker doesn't count. Why? Okay. Lettuce. I'm guessing other sandwich toppings. Tomato, onion, vegetable, fruit. I guessed melt already, I think. Yeah, I did. Oh, hi, Nora. True, they thought I meant cracker in a derogatory way. I really didn't. I meant like the food. How are you, Nora? How's it going? We still don't have any higher than cheese. Pasta. Oops. Sauce. Potato. Chip. Fry. Oven. Stove. We got some good ones in there. Biscuit. Oh! Why is that the highest now? Gravy. Mash. Swiss. Biscuit is now the highest. Bun. Roll. Bun! Bun is the highest. Bagel! Give me bread types. Bread types. Loaf. We had cookie already, unfortunately, Nora. Dog. Roll. Oh, roll was already guessed. Oh, that's a good one. Toast. Slice. Muffin. Donut. Pastry. Bakery. No. Yeast. Bread ingredients. Salt. Ooh. Well, that's a pretty good guess as well. Twist. Cinnamon. I'm thinking like cinnamon roll. Cinnamon bun. Bun. Skip me. I put that in as well. I already did loaf. Yeah, that one's already good. Frick. They not frick. Fish. No, not fish again. I forgot about this. We're not guessing fish again. What's other things? I'm trying to think. Can we add Joel or whatever else that fish emote was? If Matt wants to go find it, we can. I think he's the only one here with emote permissions. I do know the emote you're talking about, though. Trying to think of other things you get at a bakery. Sourdough. Joel. Baguette. Oh. Not good for some reason. Yeah, let Matt think. Yeah, he's cooking. Brunch. Bacon. I really think it's like a type of bread of some kind. We already have brunch and snack. Wafer. Ooh. Cake. Like, why haven't we guessed like these kind of things? Cupcake. I guess we have guessed some. You don't think it's a type of bread, Matt? What's the meta here then? Chocolate. Oh, what about like icing, frosting, sprinkles? Oh, that's a good one, Nora. Oh, never mind, it didn't exist. I thought it was good. Dough. What's a chocolate bun? Brownie! A chocolate bun! Or a blondie. That, they don't like that. A chocolate bun. That's funny. Oh, I tried that falafel. It didn't work. Pie. How did we not have pie after all this time? What is this? We haven't tried fudge. Oh, that's good though. It was 14. Not the highest, but good. Why did we not guess bake? Lemon bar. I don't think I can do 2 words. I could try bar though. Sweet. Taste. I could try donut the other way. Oh, I already guessed it. I already have it. It works the same no matter how you spell it. I think I tried pastry. Peach. Literally, what is it? Bun. 55 peppers. I could try pepper. Nope. This is crazy. I don't know if we've ever had this much green. Pancake. Smart. Waffle. Tea. Wild. Coffee. Crepe. Juice. Water. We already tried water. Bun. Chocolate. Bun. Cream. I already tried that. Milk. We already did that. Egg. We already did that. Crumb. Spill. Jam. Filling. I did roll. Oreo. Oreo was quite high. Oh, Falafel, we have the same brain. We both said filling at the same time. We don't know if it's savory or sweet. Meat. Delight. Interesting. This is hard. What the heck? This is tough. Me when I thought the biggest challenge of the stream was the Kirby thing. Candy! I cooked. Candy is 4. Gummy. Sucker. Lollipop. Candies. We should have known. It all comes back to candies. Halloween. Nope. Chips. We got it already. And I guess snack already. Bonbon. Twix. I don't know if it has brand names. Pretzel? It was pretzel? What? How is pretzel? Oh my god. Okay, good job, Nora. That's crazy. Pretzel. Wow. No way it was pretzel. Well, it was. Ah, a chocolate bun. Yeah, pretzel. That's crazy. Unmatone song. Do you... Oh, yeah. Are we doing this? Do you want... I should probably go to bed. I should go to bed. Where can we go? You guys just want to go to Icy? You guys want to hit Icy with a good big raid? He's probably gonna leave in a few minutes, so then he can then he can just take us somewhere else. Thanks for stream. Thanks for being here, Joe. It was a good time. Hopefully, next time we try Kirby, we'll be able to be better. I believe. I'll do my best to get as many coins as I can. I'm sorry, Nora. I wish I could stay. Unfortunately, I have to be a responsible adult, and I already didn't get enough sleep last night, so I gotta make up for my sleep debt. Yeah, I'll do my best to try to get some coins. And next week, or no, 2 weeks from now when I do this again, we will have a plan for how we're gonna be more strategic about it. So, we'll figure it out. But thanks everybody for hanging out, even though most of the stream was just me dying over and over again. So thanks. And Leafs won again tonight! Woo! 3rd Leafs win incoming. Let's pray. Only like 10%, 90% fast food. Yeah, what am I talking about? I was literally talking for most of the stream. And I had a great time. Alright. I'm out of here. Let's go to Icy. You can send your storks with forks thing. That can be the raid message. We are storks with forks. Or you can just say storks with forks. Or you can just send a fork and knife emoji if you want. Sometimes that's just enough. Icy will know what we mean. He knows we're the storks with forks, so he'll get it. Anyways, alright. Bye, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow for some Clone Hero. And, yeah. Hopefully, Clone Hero will be fun. Yeah. Good times. Top 5 emote all time. Thanks. It is pretty good. It's a pretty good emote, if I do say so myself. Anyways, good night. Have a good rest of your day, or morning, or afternoon, or evening, or night. And I will see you guys tomorrow if you're here. Bye!